It's a sunny morning here in Florida. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What a beautiful day. What a great time to be alive. We're back at the BDH. Man, yesterday, the power hour absolutely printing once again, chat. I can't help it. People be like, Patrick, how do you do it? And I'm like, man, I don't know. I'm just good like that. I'm good like that, chat. What can I say? Man, oh man. Yesterday, Trump, I guess, had a meeting. He was talking yesterday. He said, we'll be giving back refunds out for the tariffs. We'll be giving out a nice dividend to the people. We'll be reducing the debt. And then also, in a not too distant future, you will not have income tax to pay. I don't know, chat. I mean, that just sounds like an invite. That just sounds like he's basically telling us that we don't have to pay income taxes anymore. I don't know. I mean, I'll be honest. I like what he's saying. Also, Secretary Bessent came out yesterday saying that if U.S. citizens, I guess, elect to withhold less, they will get a pay increase, basically. Which, I mean, it is sound in theory, but what happens when you got to pay your taxes at the end of the year? I don't know. Very many questions here. Very many questions. So little time. Welcome back. It's another beautiful morning. It's a sunny morning here. It's Thursday. Tomorrow I'm going to Costa Rica. I mean, I told Victoria this morning, she's like, I was doing something this morning. She's like, what are you doing? I said, well, I'm going to Costa Rica tomorrow. So today's basically like, it's like a vacation day. And then tomorrow is also the vacation. It's always just vacation around here at the BDH. But we getting it in. We got DMoney in the house. What it do, D?
Good morning.
Man, this morning I noticed something, right? I'm in the shower, right? Obviously, I noticed that. Well, first off, look like my penis is growing. What you got? $20? Oh, he ready. Oh, you don't. What? You ready for it? What's $20 for?
That's all I'm gonna say, chat. Like,
you're not even gonna respond to the fact that I thought my penis is growing.
You said you were taking pills.
He didn't even react. I thought that was like a smile or something. That wasn't even part of the joke, but whatever.
You said you were taking pills, guys. I'm in game mode here.
Oh wow.
This is
like, when are we doing this?
This is cold hard cash. I literally went to the ATM last night.
It don't look very hard.
Yeah,
it looks a little crusty. What do you have in your pocket?
Yeah, it's in my pocket. But hey guys, this is for the ping pong challenge today. Best out of 3.
Okay.
And I'm putting my money on the line, guys. I'm feeling pretty good today. I'm not gonna lie. I'm feeling pretty confident in regards to
pretty confident.
My ping pong abilities, chat. So good morning.
You've been sandbagging this whole time. Now he's like, we're gonna put money on it. I'm gonna get him, you know. So back to my shower story before I was rudely interrupted with this guy and his fucking ping pong. He's gonna lose no matter what. So I don't know why he's all excited. But so I'm in the shower and I'm looking at like all the different soaps and conditioners and just all the fucking things that women use. And it was hilarious because I'm like looking through it and like the first one's like, it's like ultra calming exfoliation. The next one's like ultra cleansing. The next one's like golden exfoliating. And it's like all these just like crazy like fucking claims. And then my soap is literally, it just says salt and stone. That's the only thing on literally my bottle of soap just says salt and stone. And I'm like, well, you see the difference like between what women look for and what men look for. I bought a soap that just says salt and stone. Victoria buys a soap that says ultra gold soothing exfoliating, rejuvenating. It's got like a million claims on it, but I guarantee it don't do none of that.
It don't do none of that.
So I'm like, you know, this is my soap right here. People be like, what kind of soap you got? I got that fancy soap, Chad. I can't help it. Look at this thing. It just says salt and stone. Simple. It's all you need. Am I on one right now, Chad? Look, it don't say nothing. It says gel douche. I mean, I don't know about no gel douche, but it's the gel douche. Yeah, I don't know.
Guys, you know you balling when you got $36 soap, chat.
You guys don't have to wait. Is that expensive? I didn't know.
Chat, you know that's balling.
How much is your guys' soap? Is this an ad? It's really not an ad, to be honest. Salt and Stone, man. That's all you need. Le Lobo soap. Le Lobo's good. Yeah, Salt and Stone deodorant I use as well. I just don't like this is a $20 deodorant. Is that a lot? It's not very big either. What's your guys' go-to deodorant? 99 cents for deodorants? Check the ingredients.
99 cents.
Let me see. Ingredients.
Like
All right, here's the ingredients. We got, I can't say none of that. We got starch, magnesium hydroxide, sunflower. Oh, fuck. Sunflower seed oil. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I got to get new stuff. You guys check the ingredient. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Victoria. She's trying to give me Alzheimer's. She gave me that Alzheimer's. I saw DMoney getting lessons at the local Asian ping pong studio.
Hey.
Fuck?
Hey, whatever.
Wait, you got lessons?
Whatever it takes.
No. You can't get lessons.
Listen, chat. Yesterday there was you know, the score was a little close in one of those games. And
I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I might have been playing around, but if you really want to play, I'm ready. I'm ready. Aluminum-free deodorant. Yeah, no, I got that. Will the soap make you trade better? Oh yeah, Salt and Stone maybe makes my booty hole just a little bit cleaner, and that way I can trade a little bit better. Right now, the NASDAQ, what a move yesterday, dude. Man. We closed at, pretty much closed at the highs. Pretty much. Like, crazy. Absolutely crazy. I made so much fucking money trading NVIDIA yesterday, too. It was crazy. And then the best part is there was so many other better moves. But we still green. I think yesterday we ended up, well, so far this week, let's look. Where are we at this week? I'm up $1,600 trading in my, I don't know what we call it, or my Warbucks stock account. That's right, you can trade stocks now with Warbucks. If we look, it's kind of cool. Looking at my P&Ls, so first trade, 335, 55, $90 loser, $200 winner, 100, 300, $35 loser, 277, 253, 100, 197, 110. So, not to toot my own horn here, but my largest losing trade was $90, and my largest winning trade was what, 330? So, that's pretty good, right? Pretty good, chat.
I'm gonna be obviously diving in here, guys. I gotta get.
Yeah, get the fuck. What are you doing? Get in here, bro.
Some of that action.
This guy. We should have a new game every day. We got to pick either long or short NVIDIA, and then predict. Or do you just? The problem is like at some point we're gonna get a red day, like obviously at some point it's gonna happen, but right now, look at this date. These daily candles are absolutely insane. So you have what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days now of basically boner candles.
So it's crazy. We talked about, chat, if you guys remember pre-market yesterday, we did talk about 26,000, like upper 26,000, right?
Well, so, remember that line right here, right? The 26,240 area was kind of like that is the next resistance, and well, crazy. All-time highs will be hit today. Someone just said in the chat. All right, time to go short. Just kidding. Tiny bottom wick on the daily. Oh, that's like a little baby dick, a little baby dick down there. Look at a little micro penis. A little micro penis on the daily candle. It's there. Just a little baby, a little micro penis down there. Someone goes, I don't see how we don't dump. All right, time to go all in long.
Hey, guys, You know what's funny about that, chat? Like, and we kind of talked about that yesterday, is that make no mistake about it, that as long as this Iran kind of, this, we're in talks, we're in agreements, whatever the case may be, a possibility of a deal, the market loves it, chat. So it's not smart to pick. It's not smart to pick a top.
I don't even. It's just like I don't know. I don't even know. I just don't even know. Even like Apple, just fucking boom, everything. I need Apple to go back to 290. 290. I need to get Apple 300. I'm long on Apple from like where was it? Last year. I think this would have been April area. So I think we might have to look again, but long on Apple, my retirement account. I haven't even looked at my 401k or whatever you call it. I haven't even looked at it in probably 6 months. It's just easier not to look at it. Don't think about it. It's not there. It's fugazi. That's the only way that I can invest long term is basically just have to.
Right.
Well, I just can't look at it every day because I'll try to be like, well, like right now, like you're looking at it go up, and you're thinking like, well, maybe I'll take some profit here and wait for the next pullback. And then what do you do when it just keeps going, And then you end up buying at 270, and you're like, fuck. Isaac is up 24% on his 401k since 1 year ago. I think mine's up like fucking 47%, to be honest. But, or maybe 37, something around there. It was either 37 or 47. I mean, the market has been going up. I loaded up last year when we had that big dump in April. So crazy. It was perfect timing because I literally had a bunch of money to put to work, and it was like right around April last year during tax time to invest. So I saved money on taxes and I made a nice little return. You gotta love it. The rich getting richer. I saw that. How insane is this, right? Oh, I gotta pull it up. But in California, they're trying to make it illegal for people to go and like report on fraud.
Illegal to report on fraud?
They're like, they want to make it a thing. So they're calling it the Nick Shirley Act. It's crazy. They're cooked. The Democrats are absolutely cooked. Yeah, they'll fine you. It's crazy. They're going to criminalize people exposing fraud. So this is literally because of Nick Shirley finding the billions of dollars. So it says that they're literally willing to impose a $10,000 fine or imprisonment if you go and you seek to find out the truth about a location that could potentially be fraudulent inside your own neighborhood. They're trying to make it so citizen journalists or average Americans who are going about seeing what's happening inside their community, they're trying to scare them and talking about potential fraud taking place inside of those communities. You gotta love it. Like, that's crazy. Like, the fact that the politicians in California, obviously they're very aware that the fraud is rampant.
Yeah.
Right? When you're
without a doubt.
It'd be like, okay, if I own the BDH and, I'm giving out millions of dollars, from the BDH to buy people or to organizations, and like, this guy, I would know, right? Like, you would know.
Yeah.
Right? Like, you would know there's fraud happening.
Oh, they know.
They
clearly know.
You can't play dumb. You got to be like,
they know.
Yeah, no, we know.
Mm-hmm.
Like, we're giving billions of dollars to hospice centers. That's kind of interesting, like they would know. So you got to love it. But yeah, it's crazy, man. Nick Shirley has think about it. How much fraud just him alone has uncovered. In the last year or so. Crazy. But the funny thing is, like, I don't know why anyone's surprised. Yeah, I should have started the BDH hospice. I might still do it once this bill passes. Once you get in trouble for reporting the fraud, it's time, baby. How do you feel about Trump depicting himself as Jesus? I saw that, and I think Trump posted about it too. He said that he looked like a Red Cross worker. Which I mean, trust me, it is interesting, but I don't know. I mean, he kind of looks like a Red Cross worker. Cause look, there's Jesus. Oh no, that was somebody else. I don't know. Like this photo, I don't know. Is he Jesus or is he? I don't know. What is happening here?
Oh man,
Trump, man.
I think he deleted. Didn't he go back in and he deleted it or something?
Trump says that all of the fake news would think that the photo left looks like portrayed as Jesus. Normal people should be able to see he's a doctor, not Jesus. I mean, he looks like a doctor, kinda. Maybe I don't know why his hands are glowing. But
it's like the aura. Come on, man.
I don't know, man. I think it's just funny. I don't really think it matters at the end of the day, to be honest. Like, you know, at the end of the day, like it's just like, does it really all matter? You know, I don't know. I truly don't know. One day we're all gonna be dead and we're gonna be sitting around, like we're gonna spend all of our life getting all excited and mad about each other and politics and religion and beliefs, and it's just like, who cares? You know, I don't know. You know what I mean? Like when I'm dead, like is it any of this gonna matter?
Is it really gonna? Yeah.
And I think about that. Like I was thinking about, it's kind of morbid, but like the shitty part about getting older, and I don't know if you kind of feeling this way, but like a lot of the people that we grew up with that like knew when we were younger, that kind of knew our struggles, like they've either died or they've just kind of like, you know, they've moved on with their lives. Like, you know, like my grandpa, I thought about the other day. I was like, man, like there'd be nothing fucking cooler than like him being able to see the BDH now, right? Like it'd just be like so fucking like he would. Yeah, man. There'd be nobody on this planet that would be more just like, damn.
Yeah.
You know, because he like, obviously like I was a baby. You know, he raised, and it's just like I'm gonna get teary eyed. But it's funny because I was thinking about that, like all those people, like my grandma, you know, even like my mom passed away, all that, like all those people.
Yeah.
Like there's nothing more like at this point in my life that I would rather to be like, fuck, I wish they could see this, you know? So that's the crazy part about getting older you get, you know, like you start to experience more and more death.
Yeah.
More and more people just
true, man.
People getting lost, you know, on the path.
And people getting older.
I had a lot of friends who just went down the dark road, you know, drugs, alcohol, just depression. And it's just like the older you get, the more you experience, right? When you're young, you don't really experience death. When you're a kid, it's all just happy. You know, people are being born. More people are coming into the world. Your family's growing. And then as you get older, your family starts to get smaller and smaller. And all those people that you grew up with, they don't get to see it. Yeah, I mean, fuck. Would be super gnarly for sure to like, I guess, you know, there's also that part of me that's like, hey, they see it. They looking down.
Yeah.
They seeing it, but fuck, it would be just to see his reaction. This month, because my grandpa, he like fucking, you know, he was an old timer.
Yeah.
You know, for him to come here in the BDH, he'd be like, God damn, boy. What in the, you got $100,000 in Pokemon. You know, like it would just be legendary.
Yeah.
He'd be so amazed. God, D-Money, man. That guy, you know, he would just be D-Money, man. That D-Money, man. You know, he would just be so fired up.
Yeah.
To be like, you got a Porsche? Because I mean, like before he died, I was driving like $1,000 Jeep. I had $1,000 Jeep. So I mean, and he was like big into cars. So for him to see the trucks, the car, like it would just be such a fucking like full circle moment. But again, it's like you don't get you don't get experience that.
But you know it's crazy. It's like but he's still obviously, right? It's a part of you because look at where you're at right now.
Yeah.
And I mean, my grandma passed away, man, and I miss those I think about it all the time. I miss those conversations I used to have with her. Just like positive conversations, guys. Like she would always be positive, you know, always joking around, and she would be like, oh, like this is when like me and my brother we were like teenagers, and she would like give us money like all the time, like, hey, here's $100, and like for $100, I'm like, man, I'm balling right now. This is crazy.
Grandma will give you money,
man. I never forget, man. And I miss like she would be like, oh, can you go to the store for me and pick me up some stuff? I miss like doing that.
Yeah.
Because you can't do that for her anymore. You know what I mean? But it's like same thing, man. Like she didn't get to see my daughter be born.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's emotional, guys. Like I'm not gonna drop a tear, but what I'll say is that they are definitely a part of your upbringing, your beliefs,
your existence.
Yeah, your existence. So
without them, we wouldn't be here, D.
It's true, man.
God bless the grandparents out there, the grandmas, the grandmas. If you're still with us, big shout out to Nana.
Yeah.
Nana, my biggest supporter. If it wasn't for Nana, the BDH would not exist, chat. She read the Iliad when I went to 9th grade. I told her, I was like, I'm not reading this book. You gotta read it. You like reading. She's like, what? I'm like, read this book. She read the book Iliad because I had AP English and we had to read Iliad before the summer. Mm-hmm. And she read it and did the book report for me. So shout out to my 9th grade teacher for accepting the book report, and then also shout out to Nana for writing the book report. What can I say? I was I was in 9th grade already delegating. Yeah. I already had my people. I already had my Nana working for me. And then the fucked up part is like when you're kids, you do stuff, crazy stuff. But like, she gave me a credit card for like getting gas, like for emergency gas.
Gas card. Yeah.
Gas cards. Mm-hmm. And she'd be like, look, Patrick, don't only use this if you have an emergency.
Oh man, you read that thing up.
To be honest, like it was always an emergency, right? Like I always needed gas. Like at what point is it not an emergency when you don't have gas?
I can like picture you like at a convenience store with a whole bunch of chips.
No, I was just buying gas. Come on. But yeah, my Nana, she's like, you spent $70 in gas this month. I'm like, oh sorry, I was a little short at work and I needed a little extra money, And then the best was when I had a baby, I had like no money. And I was fucking grinding, working, and she gave me like $1,500 to like go buy like a new car, right? $1,500.
Yeah, and that was a
right.
Lot of money,
like, and I went and I bought like a Jeep Cherokee, and I drove that fucking thing, and it was hilarious because she gave me this money, and I went and I bought like some like stupid lifted Jeep Cherokee, right? Like it's got big tires and stuff on it. And I come home and I saw her face. It was the funniest shit. She's like looking at me like, what did you do? And I'm like, this is my new truck. She goes, why would you buy that? Yeah. Like you have a baby. Man. And I'm like, yeah, like the baby seat goes in the back. Man. She was so mad. She's like, I gave you that money to buy like a normal car. And I was like, well, I might need to go off-road at some point.
I could do both.
I need that. Oh, man. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Well, hey, either way, today is another great day at the BDH. Win, lose, we're coming together as a big old community. We call it the big community house. I was thinking, we were talking, people were asking yesterday about like doing like a meetup or something. I think at some point, maybe this summer or something, we'll do something. Maybe, yeah. Like it's hard, right? Because it would be cool to like do kind of like a little mini car show kind of event at the BDH.
Yeah.
It'd be pretty sick to like have a lot of the South Florida BDH like fans and subscribers to be able to come and like see the BDH in person. Mm-hmm. Like that would be pretty cool. I've always wanted to do that. It's just hard because like, parking and just the whole infrastructure of it. I don't really know how many people would show up. Would it be 5 people? Would it be 20? Would it be 50? Would it be 100? It's hard to say. I don't know. How many people do you think would show up? Like if we were like, hey, tomorrow, 4 o'clock, come to the BDH. Yeah, how many people are going to show up?
Probably South Florida related. Probably.
You think 100?
Maybe, yeah. You know what we could do? You can RSVP.
Guys, all right, chat. Let's do a poll.
It. Yeah.
Let's do a poll, chat. If we did a meetup at the BDH, like a little party, BDH meetup.
I said Big Brawley Man will be here.
Oh, Brawley Man gonna be here for sure.
Crazy, man.
We'll have DMoney, maybe DMoney here taking photos with the fans, signing autographs, having an autograph signing team. It'd be so funny have like a rope, like have like for some reason like you're just like in the corner and have like a rope around you.
Yeah, roped in.
And everyone's like, hey, DMoney, you're just like have a couple bodyguards. I mean, we might have to get security either way. I think we might need to get some security. We might need to get snipers on the roof.
Yeah,
get some snipers on the roof. Get a couple of security guards.
It's getting a little hectic.
All right, we got the poll going right now. Looks like 19% of you are not going to come because you're bots. So that's good to know. We can mark the bots off the list. The bots are not going to be coming to the stream, to the party.
Oh man.
Gotta meet Big B in person. Wait, what? Who's
Big
Big
Brawley?
B?
Big
Oh,
Brawley?
Big Brawley. I thought maybe that was your new nickname.
Nah, that's not
no
it.
longer
Big B?
no longer DMoney, now Big B.
Nah.
Man. Yeah, see, I still don't understand this whole thing with like Secretary Besson yesterday talking about, I want to encourage everyone out there today watching to change their withholding. You'll get an automatic real wage increase on your weekly or monthly basis. So like, but you still got to pay it at the end of the year. So like, what are they saying? So like, I'm like, is this like code for like, don't worry, you're not going to have to pay it? Like, you know? It's especially, it's weird because it's Besson saying it. It's not like Trump saying it, you know? It'd be one thing if Trump said it, because then we'd all be like, yeah, whatever, Trump.
Yeah.
You know, but the fact that he's saying it, you're like, why is he saying it?
I want to encourage everyone out there watching today to change their withholding if they haven't already done so. Because if you change your withholding, then you will get an automatic real wage increase, be on a weekly or a monthly basis, and you will be able to keep more of your money this calendar year. I want.
See, that's what I don't understand. Like,
so
it says translation,
change
Trump
it
needs
to
your
what?
money now. No, that's not translation. Translation is that they don't want your money. I don't know. What are withholding? So basically, if you're a like a W-2 employee, or if you're vice versa, however you do your taxes, you can set it so every time you get paid, it automatically withholds money and sends it, you know, basically to the government to pay your taxes. Mm-hmm. So that way at the end of the year you don't have a big tax bill. Basically, like every time I pay myself, I just go like automatically just pay 30% to taxes. That way at the end of the year I'm not just like hit with like a $5 million fucking tax bill, which I still might have to owe like $2 million this year because I made way too much fucking money last year. You gotta love it. Way too much fucking money. Stimulates the economy now. Not too hard to understand. I mean, I get that, but it's just like, I think it's just a weird, you know, like, I feel like there's something coming.
Like there's something, yeah.
Like they're kind of like wink, wink, don't withhold a lot because at the end of the year, we're not going to have income taxes either way, you know? Like, it's just like a weird, like, why make a point of that, you know?
Hey, let's not do it because the taxes.
Someone said, should I claim more or less?
Hey.
Maybe go more. Diego said, I'm too poor to get money back. Well, I'm too rich to get money back.
Yeah, like
the problem is, like, me and DMoney, we not too poor to get money back. We too rich to get money back.
Yeah.
When you get too rich, you stop getting money back.
Yeah, you guys, you wait to the last. I don't know how PW does it, but I literally waited until the 13th or 14th, like to literally.
DMoney got that big bill.
Man, you like what?
Big, beautiful bill.
Guys, you definitely got to find. You know, it makes you. You got to find tax write-offs, guys. Like, I'll say that, right? The more money you make, like, don't think that, you know, like you're gonna have to try to find loopholes, 100%. Legal loopholes, guys. I'm not saying to do nothing illegal, but
obviously not financial advice.
Yeah, not financial advice because we're not licensed to do that. But
I mean, the best thing to do is hire. I tell people, like, just hire a CPA, right? Like, it's honestly,
claim everybody's kids, yeah, but that's not gonna. So this is the thing, guys. That sounds great, but a lot of times that's not gonna help. Like that deduction, the more money you make, that's not gonna help you. Like if you claim a kid, like if your income is too high, you're not claiming a kid is not gonna do anything for you. I'm just being honest, Chad.
Yeah, the kid thing.
That tax credit is not gonna. Yeah, that's not gonna.
Trust me. It don't
you better off letting the baby mama or whoever claim that, guys, because it's not gonna help you.
You better off having kids. People be like, oh man, if I have more kids, I pay less taxes.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, that don't work so well. That don't work so well, man.
Do us a solid, guys. We got to keep the streak alive. We got less than 5 minutes left to hit 1,000 likes.
5 minutes?
Yeah, we got less than 5 minutes. It's 9:25.
Right now, the NASDAQ holding up there, 26,417. Ding, 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 ding. Well, yesterday morning we had kind of a inverted head and shoulders, right? That was kind of the setup going into open. We had the low, we had this low, that low, obviously a higher low than that low, which is kind of building out that head and shoulders. So today we kind of have that's the inverse head and shoulders, where today we kind of had this head and shoulders play, right? A bearish head and shoulders. So now, is this going to be a bear flag to get some pullback here today? I mean, I'm not going to like try to predict it, but it's possible,
yeah,
right?
It's possible.
It's just a lot of momentum to the upside. All it takes is Trump, you know. So
I think if we 1 hour chart, if you look at the 1 hour chart, guys, right now we're hanging out above the 14 EMA, so 26,400 level. If we get back above 26,434, maybe we re-challenge 487 or higher, like those highs that's kind of sitting up there from overnight. But if we lose the 14 EMA and we get back below 26,395, then yeah, I'll be looking for more downside. So keep in mind, daily candle high from yesterday, guys, 26,377. So that's the area to kind of keep an eye out on, because if we lose that level, then look out for more downside potential, guys, right? So that's how I'm gonna kind of play this. Let the market open up. Let's see where the momentum is and try to join in that direction. We know that we've had a lot of buying pressure to the upside. We've already kind of taken out those highs that we were looking at, even from yesterday, 26,300 level plus. So got to see how we open up, and then we'll try to go from there, right? Either way, we don't really care, chat, if it's bullish or bearish, to be honest. We're gonna try to ride the momentum.
that pullback yesterday at 12:15, we had almost 150 point pullback,
And then push right.
and then straight back up, and then
man.
straight into close.
It's
Crazy.
man.
Like, just crazy. But that's what happens, you know, when the market's just in buy mode.
Yeah.
So we'll have to see what happens here today. It's Thursday. Obviously, one more day till Friday, but kind of like, it's always interesting when you look at the weekly candle, knowing like just how insane that weekly. That's almost
Man,
that's 1,500 points on the weekly candle right now.
Yeah. All you can do is laugh, chat.
I mean, it's 1,500 points on the weekly candle while we're at war. That's what's
Yeah.
so crazy about it.
Yeah.
Like,
Yep.
it's not like the war is over.
Facts.
So I think that really just shows you how much Wall Street is pricing this war as like a
Non-event almost.
non-event, because
Yeah.
at the end of the day, Wall Street's whole job is to, you know, figure out what the risk reward is.
Yeah.
And right now they're looking clearly that the reward is better than the risk, because it's like, this ain't all those retail buyers, that's for sure.
Nah, not a chance.
No, fuck no.
Yeah.
If it was all retail buyers, the market would be dumping right now. So we got about a minute till market opens. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, help us blow it up. DMoney said that if we don't get at least 3,000 likes here before 9 a.m., before 9:30, he's going to walk away. His time is too precious. His time is too precious to not get more likes on the stream.
Looks like we're at 939, guys.
Oh, we
gotta
got a
keep the
long way
streak
to go.
alive. Yeah, we got a long way to go.
You
there,
got 30
so-
seconds, chat.
Yeah, do us a solid, guys. All right, there's 1,000.
Oh,
Let's
look
keep
at
it
that.
going.
Y'all, hey, all you gotta do is just make a threat. Make a threat, and then the likes go up. Don't you love that? Hey, if you guys don't hit the like button, we're gonna turn it off. Who checked the roof this morning? We hired a new guy actually for that. I think he's still up there.
Yeah, I think. He was. I saw him when I came in.
Did you tell him to make sure he gets the satellite just right?
Yeah, I was giving him some pointers, guys.
Oh, okay.
All right, so there's the push.
Market is open. Straight up here so far. I'm not in a rush just yet. We popped the 440 level. We came straight back down here. Gotta love that. Let's see what happens 390s or so down there. Big, it's about a 50.1 minute candle so far. 50.1 minute candle so far. Straight down. Straight down. We got the close from yesterday, or the overnight low, 365 area. Might maybe be a target here. Just swipe that low, but let's see. No bottom wick on the current hourly candle.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah, there is.
Well, now,
it is.
now there's not. There was, but now there's none.
It's looking heavy.
Heavy, heavy, heavy. Heavy, hungry hippos here. What are the tunes, PW? Just some random YouTube. Someone said Nvidia dropped massively. Let me see that. What's going on with Nvidia? My boy Nvidia. I wouldn't say massively. That move still down there, 360s.
Yeah, it's looking heavy here, chat, right? So far. So 26,377, yesterday's daily candle high. That's the level, right? So that the bears would definitely want us to stay below that level. Kind of pick up momentum continuation to the downside. So let's see how this kind of plays out. 5-minute chart. $406 to $444 play out for me. Yeah, we'll see. About a minute, 40 seconds left. Hanging out right above 26,377.
I was watching Nvidia for that possible pop right back up. Fuck. Nice little push on Nvidia. Watching here on the NASDAQ now, that 5-minute candle, the lows so far, there's that like wick back down. So funny. Trading View right now is like bugging out.
Yeah.
The 1-minute chart,
Yep.
it's like, it's not showing the whole, not showing the 930 candle. You guys seeing that on Trading View? Really funny. It's not there for some reason. How do I fuck. Why is it not there? I don't know. It's all bugged out right now.
All right, 20 seconds left, guys. 5-minute RB is going to be set. So far, the low is 26,367.75. And then you got the high at 26,453.25, right? So you got about 10 seconds left.
We're stuck right below that 400 level. If we deny below 400 again right here on this candle, it's about to close. I want to see how it closes. Okay, there's that little pop, but I want to see if we just like keep staying. I'm gonna try a short here, tight stop. It might be an instant rejection right back up, but let's just see if we get a little bit of a pullback here. Try to make a new low possible, but looking for a new low here, chat. See if we can get it down there to the 60s or more. We're stuck below that 400 level. Trying. Oil's pushing up. This is that make it break moment. If we start to sell through this 370, it should sell, but come on. Let's go for it. Give me new lows down there, chat. Oh, almost. There we go. Textbook, baby. Textbook, D. Don't look like you just saw a ghost.
Yeah, nah, I see that.
Nice, Come on, Junior. Spit it out. DMoney just watched the watch the fucking, just watch the, I don't know what you just watched. Just watched it. Chat, I want y'all to remember that right there. There's a reason I'm the biggest, the largest. All right, next time y'all be like, man, Patrick's not that good at trading. I want you to remember this moment right here. You know? Just remember. Remember. All right, you ready to get your ass with a ping pong?
Yeah, I was still that short. I just close it out. We're gonna push back up.
Why did I not hold till 250? I mean, God, they're never gonna be happy.
It's always.
Why did I not do any? You know, why did I not do more?
Oh, man.
Someone else said good trade D. What the fuck?
That's
DMoney, what? Or like good call D. God damn it! There they come again.
That's hilarious.
Fuck you guys.
Guys, this is on the line. Make no mistake about it, chat. That this is cold hard cash. Been a while since I've taken cash out of the ATM, guys. I'm like, how do I do this again? So went to the ATM.
You went yesterday. To the ATM?
Before I picked up my daughter yesterday.
I got about 100,000 cash under my bed.
Yeah, so
you gotta get that cash deposit at your house. You gotta get a cash deposit, sir.
I know, right?
Get some cash off the books. You know,
right?
In case when the FBI comes to get you.
I know.
For murdering the markets.
They're like, we're looking for Jerome. We're like, hey.
hey. You just run off. Take off running.
Got him.
Everybody needs some shoebox money. Come on. You always gotta have. You know what's funny is I bought some gold. Yeah. Right? Probably like, I don't know, 6-7 years ago. I bought some gold and I just kind of forgot about it.
Yeah.
And I spent like maybe $200 on like per like 5 gram bars, and I bought like 5 gram bars. Mm-hmm. And I didn't really think about it, and then I found it yesterday.
Oh man!
And I was like, dude.
So how much is it worth?
Each bar now is worth about $1,000. Mm-hmm. 5 grams is $1,000. So talk about a good fucking investment.
Yep.
There we go. Look at that push right off the 360 level. We're happy we took profit for now. Let's see what happens. I mean, the 5-minute chart. There's no reason to get long.
Yeah, not yet. You don't. Yeah, the bulls aren't.
Until we I would say until we get above these 2 candle highs. This is the safer long, right? If momentum's gonna go, we know there's a momentum in the market. We know the market can go higher all day long. So like, I don't need to be like, oh my God, I have to go in 420 out at 440. Because I'm like, nah. Let me get up here. Let me pull back, and then let me go.
Yeah.
Because right now, trying to get long here, well, what happens if it dumps another 100 points?
Yeah,
there's no reason to. Like, why fuck with it?
Yeah, and this is a heavy 15-minute candle, guys, right now, right? It's a heavy and when we say heavy, guys, we're saying where the momentum is, right? This is a heavy bearish candle right now on the 15-minute chart. So there's a lot of selling pressure right now on the 15-minute chart.
Phew.
Yeah, it's heavy on the 15-minute
Yeah, that's why I said there's no reason to get long until there's a reason to get long. So someone says, I made money on the long. All right. Okay.
Well, congrats.
Okay.
Congrats, hey, but that's not where the momentum is, though, right? So you guys remember that, chat. Like, that's great. We're not hating on you for making money on a long. We're just gonna tell you that that's not where the momentum currently is in the market right now. The momentum is to the downside. So just be careful.
I know. I love when people are like, yeah, I scalped. Look, I made 10 points on the.
Yeah.
I made 10 points on the long. Like,
Yeah.
okay, hey man. Like we're not saying that you can't make money.
Yeah.
Going long and short, but we just saying like,
Man.
right now, the better, safer play is to let this clean up. Right? I would say right now it's bearish.
Yeah.
Until we can get
Cut
above
it out.
400 and start to push back up. Like
Yeah.
there's a very, very fine line, middle of the range right now. So it's like we're below the middle of that range. So it's like I'd be just staying out of the longs until we're above that.
Yeah. There's nothing. So we haven't taken out any previous candles highs on the 5-minute chart. We haven't got back above a previous candles, right? So keep that in mind, guys. And you got to look at the higher time.
It just pushed up 40 points.
now.
I get it.
Yeah.
I
It
know.
looks
Everyone's
good.
going to be like, see, I told you it was going to push.
Yeah. Yeah, but you already exited. They already exited that long though.
But but the argument here is like we're not saying don't take a trade, don't do this. But all I'm saying is personally, as a trader who's been trading for 10 years now, I know that the safer play is to let this play out.
Yep.
Right? Because if I go short right here and it pops 50 points, well then I'm gonna be mad.
Oh yeah.
You know, if I go long and then it drops 50 points, I'm gonna be mad. So it's like they get mad when we don't take a trade just because they're taking 5-point trades, and it's like. That's cool. It's not that we don't want you to make money. It's just that as of right now, at this very moment, I think the play is just to be patient.
I'm waiting for the 15-minute RB. Yeah, you can. That's smart. Look at it. Look at this
right?
flush right back down. Guess what, guys?
Nasty.
Yep.
Nasty. Right back down. So again, like
point.
No reason to get long.
Yep. This is the point. This is what we're saying right here, chat. $15-minute ORB. Now you're putting in lower lows. You got 2 minutes and 50 seconds left on the current 15-minute candle, guys. Keep that in mind. Decent range, right, at the moment as well on the 15-minute chart. So if you kind of map out your 15-minute candles range, that's over 100 points, guys. Over 108 points to the downside right now, right? Basically the range of the candle. So just be mindful of that. A lot of selling pressure in the market. 345.25 is the low. W off the 50 EMA. Yeah, I saw that. That was a pretty clean rejection on the 5-minute chart. Actually, you had a rejection off the 14, right? That was a rejection off the 14 EMA sitting at 26,400 level. Pretty clean.
La 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 la. Market's gonna dump until Trump tweets, possibly.
Yeah. I mean, there's no PW normally covers that as well in the morning, guys, but there's no. I mean, you got what today? No red folder news. It looks like you got more FOMC speakers coming up. You got natural gas storage at 10:30. Right.
Got a minute left on that 15-minute candle.
Yeah.
Great time to be patient, chat. Great time to be patient. I swear. The next person who asks me what's next, I'm gonna say, "You out of here."
You go.
You gone. 11 a.m. Trump is live. Somebody said. Oh Lord.
Get ready.
Oh yeah, there's a new My Fund of Futures plan coming out. Use that code PW. I think it comes out at 10 o'clock. Gabe says that he got stopped out and then the market dropped. True. I mean that is typical range play. Need Trump to say it's a good time to buy.
Yeah, 15-minute RB is going to be set. You got a nice pullback off the bottom, off the lows of 345. New candle. No top wick on the current 15-minute candle that just opened, guys. So the ORB set 15-minute chart. Low sitting down there at 26,345.
I'm not gonna lie. I would say that obviously if we break above this kind of these high of these candles, there's a good chance that we could squeeze out, right? Just all that pressure building up down here.
Yeah. Above 14.
But I'd say it's
Yeah.
you know it's 50-50.
Yeah.
It's a 50-50 play. I wouldn't want to get long. I wouldn't want to get short right here, to be honest. I know that if it gets above the 400 area, there's a very high chance that we
Then we
squeeze.
push out of it, yeah.
If we do what we're doing right now, well, yeah, we'll go lower. I think it's just you got it. Like these candles right now, just they're very aggressive for blowing your accounts.
No top wick on the current 5-minute candle.
Someone said higher time frame correction after going up for so long. I mean but I think that you got to be very careful with that thought process right now, because if everybody's thinking the same thing, if everybody thinks that the market is overbought, if everybody thinks the market can't go higher, well then we're getting another fucking squeeze day.
Yep.
Right? Because everybody is saying the same thing right now. S. Garber said, PW, your trade helped me get a lucid payout today. Hey, let's go,
Nice.
baby. Damn it, Funkle Tim. Who the hell is Funkle Tim?
Yeah.
I'm locking it out for the day. He said he's up. That was 59 seconds. Bro,
Nice.
you lasted 59 seconds? Shoo. That's a world record.
What's the most viewers that you guys have had at
We got
one time?
6,200 right now.
Yeah, 6,200.
I think a little over 7,000 we did one time. So keep that party going, chat. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button. We are doing it, breaking it down like daily. If I'm not here, DMoney's here. Somebody's here. Doing Power Hour. Tomorrow, I think I'm gonna do a little throwback Fresh Cast Friday by myself, and then DMoney probably come in afterwards and hold down the afternoon. It's been a minute since I've just had a good Fresh Cast Friday. Maybe put on a fancy shirt, do a little dance, make a little love, get down tonight. Fresh Cast Friday vibes, you know. Do some big giveaways. You never know. DMoney's dunk will get more views,
Hey, wait, that's coming, Chad.
or it could be the end of his career. Guy runs
Yeah,
to
like-
dunk and just like face plants.
Oh,
He
man.
just goes, "Hey, I'm done, guys.
Hey. He's like,
I'm
hey.
done.
He's like, hey.
I'm leaving."
He's like, I tried, Chad.
Most views is when Reno was on. Yeah, that was a lot of drama that day. We need more drama back on this space, chat. We need more drama.
Do us a solid, guys. We gotta get the likes rolling. We got 6,300 people tuned into the show.
Let's do a poll.
Come on, man.
Who thinks DMoney's gonna dunk?
I'm curious to see.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie. After everybody was so confident in you winning ping pong, I
Yeah.
think that they might change their feelings now. All right, we got a poll in the chat. Let us know. We're still waiting. I mean, I'm totally fine just not touching this thing right now, chat. It's
Yeah.
very just. This is a ticking time bomb to blow up somebody, right? It's either it's gonna pull some crazy shit where it just goes up like 80 points to stop out the bears, or it's gonna drop 100 points, stop out the long. So nothing wrong with just being patient, guys. Everybody gets so excited to take trades that this is where you end up blowing your account. You know, it's just she ain't clean right now. I see it. It's going down again, but just the risk reward's not there. All right, so I mean, they still got confidence in you.
Hey,
54% of the chat
Yes,
think
hey.
that you're going to be able to dunk.
Yes, Sirski.
I mean,
appreciate
I'm not
it.
gonna lie. If I was a betting man, I'm betting there's no fucking way in hell you're gonna dunk. Especially the fact that the chat is like fired up about it is
Oh,
making me
man.
even more willing to fucking not do that. Oh man, DMoney, you gotta love him.
You don't think, Eli, you don't think I can touch the rim? Come on, man.
Man, not even the rim now.
Chat. Come on, man.
Yesterday we voted for my new wrap for the Warbucks truck for the Baja. Got the white, gonna have white wheels on there. It's gonna be sexy. D-Money looking at Ferraris. This guy, he's been working for the BDH for a couple months now, and he's already trying to add a Ferrari to his collection. I don't know. You would look sick in a fucking old school black Ferrari, my friend.
Yeah, that thing's sick.
That would be D-Money. That's got D-Money written all over it.
Mm-hmm.
It's got D-Money. What do you think, Chad? Should he buy it? Should he buy an old black Ferrari? Classic, just like D-Money. It's classic. It's classic D-Money vibes.
Yeah,
with a tan interior. That's the Michael Jordan style.
Yeah, that thing's dope.
You know, somebody actually found Michael Jordan's car recently.
Yeah, I saw that.
That's like now it's worth a ton of money.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty fucking sick.
All right, more selling pressure here, guys.
He got a G-Wagon. What the fuck he wants to escalate?
Yeah, I'm good on the Escalade, guys. I don't want the...
Making new lows?
Yeah, that's
Making
what it
new
seems like.
lows?
Another candle, another 5-minute candle with no top wick, guys.
You could play this, try to buy the bottom here and see this range plays out, maybe.
ORB's at 345. ORB low.
Yeah. Oh, Dump City.
Yeah, this is super heavy right now. Super heavy. 1 hour chart is looking cray-cray.
I'm gonna try to get long here on Nvidia. Got this. It did gap down today. I know the overall market's selling down, but let's see if we get a little bouncy bounce here. This is my Warbucks account. Might be a terrible idea, but give it a little bit of room here. Play with like a kind of like. Don't want to make new lows really, so like here, and then my take profits kind of like back up into this area. So we'll see if it is possible. Nasdaq still selling here. Kind of funny to get long on Nvidia here, but sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. Sometimes you get lucky in life, Jet. Big move down here though. I'm kind of like,
yeah.
I kind of want to buy the bounce here.
On NQ?
On NQ. I mean, maybe I've been perma bulling. Too much bulling lately. Let's see if we can get down to like 280, and then maybe we buy the bounce.
Let's see.
I'm gonna watch that. So let's see what happens at 280. If we go straight to 280 here, I'll try to buy a bounce. Try to catch a knife here. Let me see if my knife catching's a bit. If I still got that ability, D. I'm getting old, but I might be able to do it. We basically just want to see another like dump right through 300, right? Take out that level and then pop right back up kind of play. So kind of like into this. Not financial advice, chat. Don't copy me. I want like the bigger this candle, the better, right? Because when you get these big candles getting away from those EMAs, just gives you that more of that snapback, right? So if we can just drop right through 300 here, it's just going to be even better. I'm going to try to add what? What happened to my other orders? Fuck. All right, I got one filled there. My orders disappeared for some reason. It's weird. It was like when I pressed buy, it just got rid of my other orders. Oh, now they're back. We got oil pumping straight up right now. All right, getting filled. Let's see. Do we get a bounce around this area? Pray for me, chat. I need your help. No bounce yet. Trump, save me. Trump, where'd you go? Trump, where'd you go? Trump, come back. Trump, I need you, buddy. Give me a tweet right now. Give me a tweet. Give me a tweet. Come on, Trump. I think 320s is like a kind of a logical area to try to push back up to, possibly. But giving it some room here. If you're wondering what my stop loss is, I mean, really, yeah, like 260s. I don't want it below 260s here. Kind of risk 20 points to try to get this pot back up for 30, 40 points, but it might just keep on going. Let's see. Not. Come on, get up here to 313s,
Yeah,
take some, and then try to get this. Leave a little bit on it.
Caught some of that as well.
There we go. Welcome to the fucking master class. They don't call me the best to ever do it for nothing. All right, I'm gonna put my stop right here below 300 and see if we can't get like up into here, 344. If not, we get stopped out for still a nice little profit. But let's see if we can't maximize it. I want to see if this 300 area can hold. Having trouble there now, so.
Yeah, I took it off. I took profit already.
I like it. I'm going to trail this up a little bit more. Well,
Somebody put thanks for the call out, D. Oh, you guys are
all right.
chat.
Stopped out there on that. Was hoping to get a little bit more momentum to the upside there, but we just still locked in. The idea here, guys, is you think about it, right? Even if this, let's say this is a bearish move, right? We're going lower. We know that like a lot of times it's like we go red, 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 red. We get some kind of bounce.
Yeah, you get
right?
some kind of, yep.
Just some kind, it just,
reaction.
It's going to happen. Doesn't mean that you have to be bearish or bullish. It just means that like, these whole numbers, you kind of swipe those whole numbers.
Yeah.
You get a reaction. You take the profit. Sometimes it plays out nice. Sometimes this could be, you know, like that could have played out as the low of day. We've seen that before where like you get these break
100%.
of a key level, you get an extra 20 points, and then it's like straight back up. And that's like literally the low of the fucking day. So I think now, again, it's just like back to that being patient period.
Yeah,
right.
And
like,
the lower time frame, chances are like 1 minute chart. So I know you'll look at it. A lot of times, guys, chances are right that retracement just got back to the 14 EMA. So if you pull up if you look at your 1 minute chart and you have the 14 EMA, it probably tapped at that 325 level. It's probably right at the EMA, guys. That retracement, right? Because like PW is saying, sometimes, so typically, guys, the EMAs, they're kind of like magnets, right? So as price pulls farther away from them, and he kind of said like a rubber band.
Yeah.
It tends to get back to that level.
Yeah,
Even if they're going to
just
continue to the downside, you're going to get that retracement.
And I do want to point out too, I think you have to like kind of look at the overall climate of the market, right? I would say overall climate right now is bullish.
Yes.
Right?
Overall,
so like mentally, I'm like, hey, I think this could be the low, right? If we were, let's say overall climate was very bearish, well then I wouldn't be trying to pick the bottom because I'd be like, well, you know, we could dump 300 points here, right? But knowing that like right now, the last few days, the market's been very like buy the dip, sell the rip. Then that kind of like, I shift into this mode of like, okay, I'm going to try to like buy these dips to sell the rips. Now, if like the dip, if it keeps on dipping, obviously, you know, I don't just keep buying, but like, I think you got to look at the kind of overall climate, I guess, right? I know that obviously there's a war and all that's going on, but it's like, if you look at the weekly action here, you know, it's hard to deny that basically since Sunday, if you would have bought the dip here at any point, you would have made money. Like any point, you could have bought the dip every fucking day and made money. Does that mean it's gonna work every day forever? No, but it's just like I'm not gonna start selling these dips until we get, you know, some confirmation that we have selling pressure and that the buy the dip, sell the rip thing is no longer working. And I think, you know, again, what's funny is look at that. Right? Back up there at 320. You know, I was like, I was half tempted to put my stop below the low of day.
And let it ride.
And be like, all right, that's my stop. But then also the chat is ruthless. And if I would have done that, they'd be like, look,
yeah,
you gave back $300.
Crazy, man. Patrick,
you suck. It's like, fuck. Do I think the market can still go down? 100%. I'm not I'm not bullish. I'm not bearish. I'm just kind of playing into what's been going on. I do think, you know, this could turn out to be a bear flag. That's very possible. Right now, 1 minute chart this is textbook bear flag.
Yeah.
Right?
Kind of
like,
rejecting.
there could be a short setup here. Danny Man says, Patrick, I've been missing you. I miss you, Danny Man.
I love you.
Love you long time. Man, I got some new wheels for my 450. Y'all don't even know. Y'all be sleeping. Y'all be sleeping on my 450. They're gonna think I'm cartel in Mexico, bro. What the fuck? This shit is nuts. I'm gonna show y'all, chat. Look at this thing. DMoney gonna be jealous. He gonna want gold wheels on his G-Wagon. Now look at that thing. I got the gold lights in the front, gold wheels.
That thing's lit.
And those are 24s. 24s. Man. Oh man, they're gonna be crazy, chat. We're gonna be crazy. Where is Big Brawly, man? I think he's at DMoney's house still. A little late night last night. Oil is pulling back. Oil is pulling back. What did Tanner say? Tanner, what you got? Green 650 Lucid evals. Green $500 in the cash account. Cash account puts $1,600 on the week. He just got a $20,000 payout from Apex. This guy is on fire. We love to see it. Either V-shaped recovery or bear flag.
Yeah.
Yeah. Either. Because, I mean, you got to think, again, this is just like people are trying to buy this dip here, right? Like, people are waking up this morning. They're like, the last couple of days, the market has only gone higher. So what's funny, too, is like the people who have been trying to short all week long.
Yeah.
Well, then guess what? Like, they turned bullish.
Yeah.
After 3 days of
regardless
pain,
of what's,
you know.
That's how it is.
After 3 days of losing money shorting, what do they do today? They're like, fuck it, I'm going long, man. Fuck this market. I'm going long.
You know that's what's happening.
And then that's when we sell off. Oh, you gotta love it. Man, this market is so bullshit. I'm going long. I blew up my account all week long, and I'm doing it, guys. I'm fucking getting in long. Ain't nobody gonna tell me that it's a short. Oh, by the way, I'm still long on Nvidia here on Warbucks, so I'm gonna move my stop up now. We're getting the bounce that I wanted. I had my stop below the low of day there, and right now pushing back up here. So let's see if Nvidia is gonna go for this gap. I mean, I might move because I think I gotta stay consistent. So maybe go just like 300 here. We are trading stocks on Warbucks. That's right. You can now trade stocks through a prop firm. No longer have to trade futures. Don't have to trade crypto. You can trade actual stocks. Stocks like Nvidia, Tesla, Apple, Meta, and everything for as little as $36. That's crazy, D. $36
Listen, guys,
make you holler.
Man.
Am I going to print right now? I've been printing on Nvidia. Like, I don't know what it is, but I've been printing on Nvidia lately.
Yeah, longs look good here. I'll be honest, NQ is building up here for a nice reversal, guys, to the upside here. Long from 322 here, looking for a 345, right? Can they push this up to like 345? That's the question. You see the recovery kind of happening here, guys.
I mean, Nvidia is pushing right now. If Nvidia can start to fill this gap, I think NASDAQ could go. Gotta get that momentum
Yeah,
here.
you need a momentum, yeah.
All right, back to NASDAQ now. NASDAQ right there at that
Trying,
EMA.
yeah. It's trying.
Right there at that EMA now. 5-minute chart.
It's trying, yeah. 15
I mean,
minute chart.
did I
yeah.
pick the bottom
Looking
here
at the
today?
15-minute chart.
Chat, did I pick the bottom today?
Yeah, look at the 15-minute chart, guys.
Big wick, big wick.
Mm-hmm.
Big wick, big wick.
Yep, there it is. 336. See if we get a little bit more.
He's
Yep,
pushing.
there it is. Yeah, you want 345, guys, right? That's the ORB low, but we just got up to 339, so we're good there. So 15 points on the push. Let's see if we can get a little bit more.
I hope everybody in the chat today is enjoying the masterclass on how to be the #1 day trader on YouTube. You know, I take this shit very serious, chat. I don't fucking pussyfoot around. I'm all in, baby, all the time.
There it is, guys.
Let's go.
Come on, guys.
Little push. I'm also, this is what's funny is I was looking at the
350.
Warbucks stuff, you know, the back end. And right now I've got the most profit out of anybody in an equities account. Out of the whole firm.
Yeah.
It was funny because we're looking at all the different accounts and I'm like, look at that account. It's up big. And then I look, I'm like, oh, that's my account.
You're like, oh, wait
Hey,
a second.
I win. I wanted my own profit.
Yeah. All right, guys, that's 353. Drop a W in the chat if you took that long there. 15-minute chart. You saw the crazy bottom wick being formed and the expansion to the upside, guys. You got to pop up to 353. You got to love it.
Let's go. WWW's only. W's only, chat. Guys, I want your honest opinion, right? What do we need to do? What do we need to do to get this channel to 10,000 concurrent viewers? I want to buy DMoney a fucking Ferrari, right? He's been looking at Ferraris. I'm trying to buy him a Ferrari. We got one simple deal. He just got to get to 10,000 concurrent viewers consistently, and he's getting a Ferrari. So, I mean, if you want to get this guy a Ferrari, you tell us what we need to do to get there. Because, I mean, we just keep on winning, and I'm like, I thought that was enough.
Yeah.
I thought winning is enough to get the most views, but, like, I want more.
Still going, guys. 355. Gotta love it. What do we gotta do, chat?
What do we gotta do? You need D-Money to take his clothes off? We can do that. We can do that for Brawley Man. How much you gotta leave tip, Brawley Man?
Oh, man. All right, there's more upside there. 360. You gotta love it, guys, right? So you gotta love when PW basically you called the bottom. That's basically what
I didn't just call the bottom. I fucking traded the bottom. Like, I didn't call the bottom.
No,
you know what I
know.
mean? Like,
but what I'm saying
a
is
lot of
that,
fucking gurus sit around and say, "Oh, look, guys, this might be the bottom," but I actually traded it.
Yeah, that's the funny thing.
And I put my orders down there before the market was anywhere near there.
Oh yeah.
We talked like when we were 60 points higher. I was like, guys, I like this idea of getting that 280 bounce.
Yeah. And I saw the 15-minute chart, man. The bottom wick. You gotta love it, man.
I mean, guys, that's from basically 280 to 360.
Mm-hmm.
You know? I mean, it's not about being a market maker. It's just about looking at the structure here, right? We have this consolidation area, get tight, tight, tight. We start to expand. Well, it's like every time we get far away from the EMA, what do we always do? We push back to it.
Yeah, we're going to pull back to it.
Right? Like sometimes, maybe we go a little lower, but we're going to get back to that fucking blue line at some point.
At some point.
Like we're never going to get away from it for 5-6 hours straight. Like we're going to get back to it. It's a 1-minute chart. The price is always getting back to it. So it's like, I'm not always looking for a big bounce back up. I'm just looking to see if we can get back up to that EMA.
Yeah.
And then what happens, right? Mm-hmm. That's what it comes down to. And again, guys, this is not by any means am I saying you should just buy the dip every time we sell off. That is not what this is about. Yeah, it's about understanding like, okay, we consolidate, we get our first break out of this 15-minute range. The overall market's bullish, right? So I'm like, if every single day for the last 3 days, buying the dip, selling the rip has been the fucking play, well, we got like the first sell-off on the 4th day.
Yeah.
Like mentally, I'm thinking that there's a lot of people out there that are trying to buy that dip. Does that mean we're going to go all the way to all-time high? No, but it's just knowing that like that's been the trend.
Yeah.
Right? That's what we've been seeing. So it's like if we've seen that all week long, we're like, well, maybe we should play into that. Yeah. And I also like I didn't just buy as soon as we broke the 50-minute range. I waited to get like a clear break of a clear, of a level, right? Like an actual level where we're like, hey, 300.
Yeah.
That was also, we took out the low of the low of the overnight was also 375. So like that also kind of was in my head. Because if you, let me say, if the low, let's say the overnight low is at 225, well then I wouldn't be so eager to buy the dip until we broke the overnight low.
Yeah, you have to swipe that.
But we already broke the overnight low.
Yeah, we already.
So
took
that
out.
like in my head is like, we broke the overnight low here already. We're still selling. What do we talk about? A lot of times we break the overnight low, we break the overnight high.
Yeah.
What do we get?
We
get some kind of pullback.
Yeah.
It's just like kind of the game. So that's when the simple trading really comes into play, right? Because instead of looking at the RSI, instead of looking at, and other indicators, order flow, it's just being like, okay, what's been the pattern? What do I think other people are going to do? What are they going to anticipate? The same thing is like, if we went straight up and open, would I want to buy at fucking 500? Probably not. Would I get short? Probably not either, because that's not been that hasn't played out very well.
That hasn't played out, yeah.
So, I don't know. There's nothing wrong with just kind of playing into what you see, what you believe, And it's not about being bearish or bullish. It's just about thinking like, hey, I bet you that there's some other traders sitting down there and they're thinking the same thing I'm thinking.
Yep. So
and a lot of people were very bearish this morning, which we talked about, right? Everybody's like, look at the indicators. Look how we're so overbought right now. Well,
so somebody's saying what magnet? So all EMAs are gonna tend to be magnets, guys. The farther you get away from them, right? That's how price works. Because that's why it's always funny, because we'll get people in the chat and they'll be like, oh, the EMAs don't work, right? It's like you got to know how to use it.
That's what they don't understand.
Yeah,
the EMA is not a signal.
Yeah, that's the thing.
That is like, you don't buy, like people are like, oh, do you just get long at the EMA?
No.
I'm like, no. Like, no, you get long, like,
yeah. You
use the EMA as kind of like an indicator to see like momentum, to see like, hey, if that EMA's really, did I get filled? What the fuck? I'm so confused right now. See, my computer's going wild. Look at the NVIDIA push here. We're almost up $300 here, trading on Warbucks.
NASDAQ just hit 387, guys. You gotta love it.
And again, guys, I am not trying to toot my own horn. I just want you guys to see that, like, my biggest goal for this channel, my biggest goal in general for this live stream, is for people to see that all of the bullshit on the internet, all of that stuff it's bullshit. Order flow, RSI, indicators, algorithm, it's all bullshit. The only way to really make money trading is to fucking do it, right? You gotta become it. You gotta look at all the angles. You gotta play 4D fucking chess. You gotta be thinking like, hey, if everybody's bearish, what is probably going to happen?
Yeah, the opposite.
It's gonna squeeze. Like, you gotta kind of like see the market in a 4D like object. What is my Warbucks target? Well, I had a target. I don't know why it got removed, but I had a target up here trying to get filled. It says modify. I can't modify. What the fuck? It's annoying. It's acting like I already got filled, but my order's still open. Take profit. So you won't even let me. Where the fucking take profit at, you fucking ticket? Failed to modify. Gotta love it. Always something. Always something, chat. Always something. And here we are, right back into the middle of that fucking 50-minute range.
Yeah, you're back inside the order.
But hey, what have we seen a lot of times before too, right? This could be the beginning of more of a pullback down. If we get denied here, We start to sell.
Yeah, this would be the area that you're watching, because so
These are where shorts want to get short at.
Yeah. So yeah, this level, guys, 14 EMA sitting at 26,366, and you got the 200 at 26,380. So you're kind of watching now, because we're right back inside of the ORB, right above that 345 level, which is the low, and we're hanging out right below 26,377, which was yesterday's daily candles high, chat. So keep that in mind, right? We're kind of like in between those two levels, which could be an area where if we're gonna sell off, maybe it's at this area, right? You need to watch it and be careful and kind of let price action dictate what's gonna happen here, right? And then you try to join the momentum.
Someone in the chat just said, Patrick, why don't you go do the Robin's World Cup? I've said this a million times, guys. Like, I day trade live on YouTube every day, right? If you don't think I know what I'm doing, that's fine. Me going and entering a World Cup and making $1,000 in a World Cup, what is that gonna do? I've shown that I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars this year's trading. I've done it live. I call out the market daily. I don't charge anybody for it. It's like, I don't know how much more I can really do at this point.
Yeah.
You know, like I said yesterday, it's like, if your guru doesn't trade live, then they don't actually know how to trade. That's all it is. Like, if your guru is not calling out the moves before they happen, and making money with you and doing, like, that's bullshit. The hindsight trading is amazing, right? The guys who sit around at the end of the day and they're like, man, look at the setup today, guys. This setup was so good. And everyone's like, oh, did you take it? Like, well, no, I didn't take it.
Yeah.
Because, there was no news today. Or there was, oh, I don't trade on Tuesdays.
Yeah, it's the day of the week.
Yeah, no, I don't trade on Wednesdays either. My rule is no Wednesday trades. But if I did, man, that would have been a really good trade today, guys. Look at that market move.
Here's the rejection, guys, coming off the 14 again.
360.
Right?
See
Yeah,
if
right
this is
back
going to
up.
play out. This could kind of build out an inverted head and shoulders, but got to see, like, you'd want that higher low to be right here, right? 330 area, basically. Nvidia pulling back here a little bit as well. Oh, Lord. I think I'm just going to lock in this Nvidia trade for $100. Yeah, I'm just going to do it. All right, I closed that Nvidia trade for now just because this could pull back. I'm fine with, like, just locking it in, getting it over with for now. And then kind of wait to see if we do make up our mind here a little bit, is the better play, right?
Yeah, you're getting a lot of rejection right now off on NQ, off that 14 EMA. It's holding, guys. So the opening range candle low, 26,345 so far is holding, chat, right? You're getting a bearish reaction right back down. So you got about 1 minute and 30 seconds left on the current 5-minute candle. If this continues, then you will be targeting potentially back to 26,277. Let's see how this plays out. 5-minute chart.
Everyone in the chat, it's a dump. Someone said in the chat, it's a dump day.
Yeah, well, hey.
I mean,
we're gonna find out.
Is it a dump
Yeah, we're gonna
day?
find out. You could have.
I would. It's right now. It's almost 10:30. I would not call this a dump day.
Nah.
I call it a.
And remember, you got news. You got Trump that somebody said Trump is speaking coming up, right?
At 11.
Yeah. So don't be too bearish, guys. Initially, right? Like, let it play out. I think that's where I think we do have confusion sometimes in the chat where, because I know we do, guys, because a lot of times people get a little frustrated when they're like, oh, well, you took a short and you said that the market was looking bullish. It's like, yeah, because the momentum shifted. Like, we're momentum traders. At the end of the day, we're gonna try to join the party, guys, where the momentum is. Whether
I mean, you're also like you're going for 20, 30 points. So
Exactly.
it's like
yeah, you're pivoting based off.
even on the most bullish day ever.
A lot of times
there are
you're gonna
still
get
pullbacks.
Yep.
Same thing with like a bearish day. If the market's really bearish, like there's still great opportunities to take some bounce plays.
Yeah.
Right? It's just like I don't people get so caught up in worrying about, other people, and it's just like, listen, if you don't think that it's bearish or you think it's bullish or whatever, like that's it doesn't mean you're wrong or I'm right or DMoney's wrong, or, you know, it's just like, trade what you see, not what you fucking feel. Water pipe leaking. DMoney broke the water pipe. DMoney broke the water at the BDH. He was out there practicing his dunks, jumping up and down on the concrete, broke the pipes. All 50 pounds. Jackhammering the concrete out there.
Oh, man.
Strong, another push back up here. It's just like it's one of those days. See, because now if they try to put in, kind of like I said, they're trying to like, if this could be another high or low, then you kind of have this inverted head and shoulders type play, and then that's your neckline right there. So pretty much back above 400. I wouldn't be surprised if we're going fucking at least for the overnight high being 500, 480 area, right? I think that would be a very easy long. You basically get back above 400, you build out a little flag, and then ding, ding. Personally, it might take a few hours.
Yeah, it might take.
You know,
yeah.
But like, that would be just an easy banger, honestly.
Yeah, I think that above 386, above 386, your longs are in play. You want to start seeing some candles close also above the 14 EMA on the 5-minute chart, guys. We haven't had a single candle close above it because there's been some selling pressure in the market. So that would be an indication as well, guys, right? If you're looking for long, you want to start seeing candles close above that 14 EMA on the 5-minute chart.
I like it. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow it up. We got free shit coming up. Denny, give him something free, man. Do something, Denny. Fucking Denny just in the chat. What's he doing? Denny's over there. He's more worried about trading. Denny's over there trading instead of giving out free shit in the chat, man. This guy, he's making too much money. Listening to DMoney. Everybody in the chat start spamming Denny. Denny. If he don't answer, he's fired. Because that means he's not working. Uh-oh. He ain't answered yet. That's not good. Uh-oh. Oh, he's here. We're good. Don't worry. You back, Denny. Report for service,
Like,
Denny.
JK.
Report for duty, Denny.
So this rejection, guys, you're kind of watching, right? Because we failed to put in a higher high so far in a 5-minute chart. So you had an attempt to get back to the 14 EMA, we rejected it. So if the momentum kind of picks up here, you're looking for 275 to the downside. You already had the retracement, guys.
I had my finger on the trigger thinking about maybe trying a little short there. Let me see.
Yeah, it just needs to kind of break down.
I'm gonna try a little short, just one contract, just for entertainment purposes, chat. Entertainment purposes. Let's see if it's gonna be a lower high, and we can try to go for a new low, right? You can see it's only one contract, so don't be mad at me if it doesn't work out. It's okay. People will be like, you lost. Just taking a trade here. Everybody, we're stuck there below that EMA. There is a possibility that we move down here. But the only problem is if you look at the 5-minute chart, you know, if this could kind of rip right back up. We just gotta be careful. Sizing is key here sometimes. You gotta know when to go big, when to go small. This is more of like I go small here. I can always add into it if it really starts to sell. But as you can see right now, see there's that little choppity chop. And look, there's that fucking 5-minute candle screwing me right now. And this is when that 5-minute chart really comes, takes power. Right? The 5-minute candle was like, I was even said, I think this 5-minute candle kind of looking a little scary. Oil did make new highs. So that was another reason that I thought maybe there's a short here. Quit gambling, Patrick. I literally...
Really? Come on, man.
I just said exactly what my trade was. That's not gambling. This is called risk management, right? That's literally all this is. This is 22 points of risk management. The good thing is I know that if we start to squeeze up here, that there's at least 100 points to get. Is this your first day, Danny? Denny? Denny, is this your first day? You fucking the new guy. Got the F and G in the chat. Yeah, I mean, this is not I don't love this trade, to be honest, but oil is making new highs. It's either we're going to dump through here or we're going to chop back up. I'm okay with you know. I'm okay with those results, right? I mean,
yeah, the risk reward. Yep. I
mean, it's not about the risk reward. It's just like it's a trade. We take trades. If I lose 80% of the time, or lose 80% of the time, if I win or lose, my win rate's 80%, then that's gonna happen. And as you see, this is what I was exactly pointing out. 5-minute candle, that could be the high or low if we start to squeeze up here now. So. All good. Patrick, show us the oil chart. It's at 93.56 right now. Just kind of squeezing up there a little bit. I wouldn't get too crazy about it. Oil's pushing up 93.60.
So you will want to see that short kind of go now, guys. You just had a rejection, a touch of that 14 EMA, 355, and you want to see it kind of fall off now.
Holy shit, Denny just putting Denny in timeout. Working overtime.
He's like, I'm show you I'm working.
And he's like, fuck you, chat. Watch this.
Oh, man.
We got giveaways in the chat. Denny is finally awake. He lives in Australia. He's crazy. Laying down under. Damn, play DMoney and ping pong. If he loses, he has to buy Olive Garden for lunch.
Guys, that's what the $20.
We can both go to Olive Garden and eat good today.
Yeah, we can eat good today.
We can all you can eat lettuce, salad.
Yeah.
And breadsticks.
Salad and breadsticks, unlimited. Do us a solid, guys. Hit the like button. We got 6,000 people tuned into the show, guys.
6,000?
So
that seems like a lot.
Yeah, that's a lot. So do us a solid, guys. Hit the like button if you haven't already. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you know what to do.
All you can eat lettuce. Buy an Olive Garden. This could be something too to think about. They're owned by Darden though, so you can't buy an Olive Garden.
Yeah,
I would buy an Olive Garden, turn it to the BDH garden.
Yeah, they're owned by Darden.
Man. See, like I talked about this the other day, right? Just really sometimes you got to be patient and let this 5-minute chart play out, right? That short there, I didn't love the fact that we kind of swiped the previous 5-minute candle low and came back up into it. I still tried the short to see if it would work, but like I said, it was small size, kind of knowing that was that pivotal point where you're either going to kind of bounce there or we're going to get that dump. And, I played the trade. So it's funny because like yesterday, I think I went like 4 trades in a row, just back to back to back bangers. And then it's like today, it's like you have one losing trade. You have one winner, one loser. And they're like, yep, this guy sucks. Get him out of here.
Yeah, they don't understand.
Get him out of here.
That's not how,
Get him out of here,
That's
chat.
just trading.
Get him out of here.
And it's still not, right? So, all right, new 5-minute candle.
Patrick, why are you not active on X? I'm on X. Patrick Wieland on X. What are you talking about? What you talking about, Willis? Where's DMoney?
I'm right here. Where do you want me to be?
God.
Where do you want me to be, chat?
Yeah, when I lose, it's my fault, and then when I win, it's because DMoney told me to. Take the trade.
Oh yeah. Well, you know they do that just to get you fired. They want to see you fired up.
No,
That's all
no,
it is.
they're honest.
Yeah.
They're honest people.
See you fired up.
Did you do Pilates this morning? No, I did it. I had sex though, so that counts. This kind of bull flag in here. No, I'm on the 1 minute chart. If we get through this 360 area, I think we'll go right through 380s next. Nvidia fucking right back up. Ugh, there we go. Like we said, through 360, right to the 380s. Sometimes I call out trades and I don't even take them. I'm just that good.
Well, sometimes it happens so quick though. Like when you cut, it just happens like right away.
Yeah.
That's just how it is sometimes.
W ad yesterday? What ad? This one?
People think I get all the time. Yeah, they're right. I get whenever I want.
Nah, man, nobody likes it slow. I like to get fast.
I've gotten in my bed, in the office, and one time in a car.
My boys and I got last week. What? Not at the same time?
Of course we get every now and again. It's good for us, especially at our age.
Yeah, it is.
You guys are getting How?
Get funded today with Warbucks. It's trader funding made killer.
The funny thing is people think that is that's AI. I'm like, no, those are real people.
Those are real actors.
We had real people say they like to get fucked. I mean, funded.
Man.
At the same time. Stella News said, stupidest ad they've ever seen. Well, Stella News, you just got a one-way ticket to the VIP room, my friend. Congratulations. It's really, really boring in there. And do not message me and tell me that...
Trying to get out.
I'm sorry, Patrick. I was just playing around. That's my favorite. I get messages all the time.
It's crazy, man.
Patrick, will you please unblock me? I was just playing around.
Yeah, because
And I'm like, and I just say, I wasn't playing around.
You know what it is? Those accounts start, they start seeing those profits dwindle. It's crazy, man.
Yeah. Like I stopped watching the BDH stream for one day and I went and watched Rocket Scooter. I want back in. I want to come back. Nah, man. You can't. Once you gone, you gone. You don't get to leave. This ain't no, you don't get to choose to be a part of the BDH. You are the BDH. Are we going straight up here? I'm gonna try a quick little long, see if we get through this 380 level. Terrible FOMO, but I'm excited. I drank too much energy drink this morning. DMoney, he got me addicted to these energy drinks. It's all his fault. Can you take me? It wants to pop. Look at it. It wants to pop. It wants to pop. It wants to pop. What kind of juice? Well, I said juice. What kind of juice you drinking? Twigs and berries. Twigs and berries.
Yeah,
Twigs and berries juice.
Oh, man.
Put Jerome on the ad. Yeah, get him on there next. He's hard to get locked down, man. He's a busy man.
That would be funny though.
Jerome is a busy man. You got to get Jerome and all his girls on the ad, and they all just go, "Oh, I love getting beep." Oh, Jerome.
Man.
Jerome, will you help me get Jerome? Jerome. Come on, NASDAQ, get it over with. You know you want to film it. You know you want to. You know you want it, NASDAQ. You know you want it.
What about Ray Ray?
Ray Ray? Little Ray Ray.
Somebody said, what about Ray Ray?
Cray Cray, little Ray Ray. Cray Cray, little Ray Ray. What's the blue line? Don't worry about that blue line. Don't look at the blue line. Don't look at the blue line of death. Oh. Trouble. Trouble here. I gotta go pee really bad, and then like I'm in this trade right now.
Remember the water's off.
Oh yeah, the water's off. Oh fuck. Everything's going to shit right now at the BDH.
PW's in a long right now, chat. You guys are saying what's the next trade? He's literally in a long.
No, shh, don't say it.
No,
the market makers watching the stream.
Yeah,
God damn it, DMoney. If this crashes, it's all DMoney's fault.
Oh,
chat,
man.
if this does not work out, it is all DMoney's fault. I told him to not talk about my trades on YouTube because the market makers, they use an algorithm that listens to DMoney's voice and then they fade me. The blue line of resistance every time, bro. Oh my, like how is this possible? How is it that I get long and then we get stuck in a 5.1 minute candle fuckfest? You ever wonder that? Like how is that possible? How is it that the minute that I buy is the minute the market just gets stuck? You can't time this shit, man. You can't, it's like, if I told someone like, hey, if you can buy right now and the market doesn't move for the next 5 minutes, I'll give you $100.
And you can, it won't.
You would never be able to predict it. You'd never be able to. Yeah, it's a fuck fest, chat. Look at this little fuck fest right now. Little dick fuck fest. Give me a big old fucking boner candle, boys. Yes, yes, we likey, we likey. Oh my, no likey. Come back, come back, come back. Go back up. Give it to me. I need money. I need money for the penis surgery. Hey. Where are my haters at now, D?
Nah, they gone.
Great call to DMoney. DMoney put me in that trade, held my hand. He's actually, he's been here the whole time, chat. Without DMoney, I don't know how I would ever be able to survive. You guys all think that I'm the mastermind, but truly, DMoney's been behind the scenes for the last 8 years, just mentoring me, building me up, putting me on top. And now he's stepped out of the shadows, kind of like my Ra's al Ghul, the guy from Batman.
Yeah.
Yeah, DMoney's actually Ra's al.
Man.
What's that guy's name? Ra's al Ghul? Who knows the guy's name? All haters will eventually wind up in the VIP room, bro.
Hey, well.
Y'all don't even know the VIP room is literally the hottest spot right now in the world. Pinky and the brain. Wait, which one's Pinky? Which one's the brain? Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Chat. Who is the Pinky and who is the brain?
Just put LOL, yeah.
Who's the Pinky? I'm the Pinky? No. I can't be the Pinky. He's definitely the brain. I'm definitely the brain. DMoney's the brain? God damn it. I gotta go work on myself. I gotta go figure this out, chat. Right now, we're stuck at the VWAP there. This is bullshit. Absolute bullshit. I do not support it. I do not fucking support it at all. It's bullshit. I gotta see a video of these guys again. Figure this out. Nah, that looks like me. Look, I'm fat and I got a big head. Bro, I'm the brain. That is DMoney. Look, that is DMoney. He even laughs like the fucking Pinky. Come on. Bro. Look at that. And I'm cranky. Come on.
It's funny, man.
Look, that is literally me and DMoney. Come on. Like, tell me that ain't me and DMoney. Yeah, see? Look, I'm telling you, we're gonna have to turn this off for a second. We need to hear the audio.
I shall have to hurt you.
Oh, okay. Sorry, brain. Nerve.
That's me all day. See?
Hey, God, you astound me, brain.
That's a simple task, Pinky.
Look, I mean, I'm not saying DMoney walks like that, but I think I walk like that. Just kind of mad at the world. Like, fuck, here we go. Got to go to the sub shop again. Wait, there's no way. There's no way that DMoney's the brain here, guys. It just animalodically, whatever that word is, it's not real. Hey, if you guys can do me a favor, I need some love from the chat. I don't ask for a lot. I really don't. But if you guys can do me a favor, it's not, don't like this video, but if you can go and show some love on this video, it would really, you know, help me out. I'm trying to get some new sponsors, you know, I'm trying to get that off-road sponsorship. That brought me. The more, you know, the more people commenting, supporting the stream and all that. You go watch some videos. We're trying to put out more videos. I know not everybody gives a fuck about the racing stuff, but if you keep me happy, I'll keep you happy. Hey, and by the way, we met some fans. It was sick. Dude, literally, I swear to God, I was in the truck, and this guy, I don't think it was these guys, but there was guys that I met at the actual race that were like, I watch you live from Mexico every day. I'm like, no fucking way. I'm like, that's so sick. But yeah, it was super cool to meet some fans in Mexico. But yeah, if you guys can do me a huge favor, go leave a little bit of love on there. There's 34 comments right now. We got to get some, 500 comments, you know, a little bit of love. DMoney.
Yeah.
DMoney. DMoney said he needs to keep a job too. It'll cost you a Lucid account. Ask Denny for the Lucid account. He got those. Denny's got like 500 accounts to give away. I'm just saying. You know. Patrick, are you the most controversial trader in YouTube? I don't think I'm the most controversial. I think I'm the best to ever do it. And I think people hate me for it, right? My haters are very loud about their feelings for me because, well, I'm putting them out of business. My biggest haters are always the guys who are selling $200 fucking Discords daily. I talked to the prop firms and they were like, yeah, man, you know, the other affiliates are always talking about you.
Man.
They're like, it's not fair. Like, literally, I've heard this conversation from other affiliates because they're like, it's not fair that Patrick, you know, he gets so many more views on YouTube. He's buying all his views. He's buying all his views. But what's hilarious is, like, obviously, like, I know how much money I make with people using my code, PW, right? Like, I've been very honest. Like, it's millions of dollars a month now.
Yeah.
And it's hilarious because, like, people will be like, yeah, but it's not fair. And it's just like, yeah, but I built this. Like, I went out of my way to build the BDH. I put $300,000 into the BDH. I brought DMoney. Like, I took massive risk bringing a guy who's 70 years old to work for me at the BDH. You should see his health insurance alone is fucking through the roof. Oh, fuck, I didn't mean to say. He's not 70, he's 69, chat. 69. He looks really good for his age. You know? So, yeah, it's like, it's hilarious, right? How many people, they want to be like, yeah, fucking DMoney, Patrick, they just buy all their followers. They don't even have real followers. But it's crazy, hilarious, man. Because I'm telling you right now, like, I know the numbers. Yeah. And the BDH does more revenue with prop firms than like 90% of the affiliates combined. Like, if you put all the affiliates combined, we would still be doing more.
Which is crazy.
Because, I mean, the truth is, like, I think we put the best show on. Yeah. Right? We got the best show, the best vibes, the best community, and, like, we're reaping the rewards, right? I don't know why people are mad at us for doing a good job you know, at the end of the day. Like, we do a good job. It's a lot of work. It's like, it's hard. Streaming every fucking day, it's hard, man. Like, DMoney streams in the morning, streams in the afternoon. Like, it ain't fucking easy, chat. Yeah. You know, and I get it. Like, yeah, I'm making money, DMoney's making money, but, like, it's a grind. And I see other streamers talking about, oh, you know, it's not fair, but it's just like, yeah, but, like, we put in the work.
Yeah.
DMoney, like, we put in the work.
Yeah, you had the same opportunity. Like, what's
everybody can go on YouTube and start a live stream. I mean, I can't help it that no one watches your live stream. That's not my fault. Like, don't be mad at me because of that.
Exactly.
You know, don't hate me because of that, you know? So, because I think also the problem too is people think that, like, just putting some random day trader on a live stream is going to get them views, right? We've seen different companies coming out with their own live streams and stuff, and it just, like, there's something different about the BDH. Like, I truly think that it's just different. Yeah. We're doing it different, you know? Yeah. Not to, like, keep tooting our own horn, but, like, I just think that we do something that nobody else does. And I don't know exactly what it is, but I think it's just like we just put on a better fucking show, man. That's all it is. We put on a better show. Truly. And the best part is, like, the viewers, they're gonna vote with their views, right? If the people that watch our live stream every day, they're choosing, right? They only have so many days to live.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, that's the truth. Like, people only have so many days. So you have to choose in the morning when you wake up. You're like, who am I going to watch today? Am I going to watch someone that I don't want? Like, you are choosing. Like, you are voting with your fucking views. And look at this. NASDAQ still pushing here, boys. I think we're getting primed for some more longs. Yeah. I think we're getting primed for some more longs here. You guys saw that long I took earlier there. From the 370 area. Again, 370 back to the 400s. The bulls are back, baby. They ain't gone yet. Look at NVIDIA also pushing up here. 198 now. You got to love it. You got to love it, chat. So what we want to see now is just strength. Right? This is that key level. We broke through the 400s. I will play this kind of the same. All right, I'm going to try to like buy this push through the 400s here. Would be the play for me now. So just kind of ride this momentum a little bit and see if we can't get a quick 10 points basically on this push of this 5-minute candle right now. So I'm long. I'm alone. And I just want to go. Got my sell order at 12s. And that's just because I wanted to like see that this candle right here basically just push on the 1-minute chart. Ideally. Target wise, I mean, truly you could put your stop, I think, like down here below 380, 370s, and then target the 450 area, maybe?
Yeah, the 450 area.
If you want to get wild and crazy with it, you know, I don't know. So I'm going to move my target up now. The fact that we're like consolidating here and we haven't made a new high through that 5-minute candle makes me think that like if we do make a new high that we should push a little bit more. Where before I was just like, maybe we'll get like a quick little whip.
Yeah.
But now it's like, now we're consolidating. So I can kind of move my target up some more because, well, now we're like another bull flag's happening and then we're looking for more push here. So let's see if we can get a little bit more push out of it. She's trying. There's that little push. Can we get it through this high of this last these little candles here? Trouble, a little bit of trouble there. 410s clearly. Looks good, looks good, looks good. Oh.
Yeah, I'm rolling with you.
DMoney's long. Trying to get this push. Move my target down a little bit just because we're getting stuck here. Boom. Easy peasy mac and cheesy. 12 points right there, chat. Guys, I'm telling you right now that if you can get to a point as a day trader where you can lock in 10, 20 points a day. I know people are like, that's not enough. But just do that every single day for a year straight. You're gonna be so fucking much ahead. You're gonna be so far ahead of the curve at that point, right? Mentally, emotionally, everything's gonna be just so much easier.
Yeah.
Because it's like right now, what do? Like you had a couple good trades, you walk away.
Now you walk away, man.
You walk away. You go and you go do your other job. You go hang out with your family, whatever it is. Like you take away that emotion that you have to like trade every move. You got to get rid of that emotion because that is the one feeling or the one problem for traders. They don't know when to walk away. They're up on the day, they're green, they're happy, they keep trading. All of a sudden they blow their account and they're like, what the fuck happened? You're like, well,
you overtraded.
You kept trading.
Yeah.
Right? You kept trading. Like at a certain point, you got to just know when to walk away. That's all it is. All right, so yeah, still going there, by the way. If you took that long, from the 400s up there to the 418s. Guys, I mean, I might just never day trade ever again. Someone said, is YouTube your biggest money maker? No, not real. I mean, not directly YouTube, no. I don't think people would laugh if y'all saw how much like actual money YouTube pays us. There's like no money in, by the way.
You showed it before.
No, I know.
Yeah,
like, I like to show them again because it's just like they think we getting rich on YouTube views. You know, oh, y'all make $1 billion on YouTube. And like, well, I mean, not from YouTube. No, not by any means. So yeah, this is our revenue for the month of and by the way, we don't monetize.
Yeah, the stream.
I don't monetize the stream. There's no ads on the stream, chat. So literally, this is my YouTube for the month, for the last 28 days. We haven't even made enough money to pay for fucking DMoney's G-Wagon.
Oh, man. This DMoney like studs. Yeah, Antonio, you're going to get your first, that's your 10-second timeout there,
what?
sir.
A stud?
Yeah, he wanted to know if I like studs. Antonio
Like
got a
what
10-second timeout.
Like earrings?
No, studs, like, you know.
Well, maybe he meant like, you know, like stud earrings.
Oh, no, he definitely meant the aggressive females out there. So, you got a 10-second timeout there, sir. Yeah, the aggressive, you know, the studs.
Wait, what? I'm confused right now. What's going on, Chad?
The lesbos that are.
Wait, that's
I think
a
they're
thing?
mans. Oh, yeah, they're called. Yeah.
Aggressive lesbians?
Yeah, I think they're.
Wait.
Yeah. We got a 10-second timeout, Antonio.
Wait, I'm so confused. I have never heard of a stud.
No, really? You serious?
I think like when I think about stud, I think about a dude.
No. Yeah, they're studs.
Wait a second. Is this a real thing, chat?
Oh yeah, 100%.
I'm a stud, right?
No.
I'm a stud.
There's different. So you're male version of a stud, but there's female versions of studs.
Let me see. Wait. Why is it black? Why is it gotta be black for?
Oh yeah, I don't know, but that's
so I just went in Google.
Yeah.
It says a stud is a black masculine, lesbian or queer woman.
Hey.
With a distinct identity rooted in black lesbian history.
It's great. It's
unlike
crazy,
butch, which is generally termed for masculine lesbians, a stud is exclusive to black women.
Yeah.
It's considered a racially specific term.
Great.
Studs often exhibit high fashion streetwear, sharp tailoring, and a confident masculine demeanor.
Yeah.
That does sound kind of fun.
No.
Wait,
man.
so the WNBA, are those studs?
Some of them.
How do you know?
Because they're openly like.
Yeah, but how do you know that a lesbian is a stud?
Because
like,
if they look like a guy, if they're like literally it's hard to tell if they're a female or not. They could be. The chances are they're a stud. I'm just being honest. Yeah. That's qualification, guys.
Being honest. Hey man, I'm just
yeah.
Just being honest.
That's the qualification. So. Guys, it sounds like we have giveaways today, right? We got to hit 3,000 likes, though, chat. Do us a solid. We're at 2,400 likes. We got 5,300 people tuned into the show, guys. We got to give away at 3,000 likes.
Yeah,
Make no mistake about it, guys.
Come on, for the studs out there. We got any studs in the chat?
600 more likes.
Hey, chat. We got any studs in the chat? Any lesbian studs? I'm interested in having a stud come to the BDH. We need a guest stud. Are there any very studdy people? I want to meet a stud. Not talking about a man stud. You got to be a woman stud. I want a woman stud to come to BDH.
Oh man.
One day at a time is a lesbian, but not a stud. Damn it. You know a few studs? We need a stud that wears glitter? All right. Mel said she's a stud. Let's go. We got some studs in the chat. Oh, man.
I'm telling you guys. Yeah?
Wait, how many lesbians we got in the chat? Little did I know that we... See, this is what I love about the BDH.
Hey, you never know.
I know, honestly, because people would be like, man, Patrick, you're so inconsiderate. But then I'll be like, well, we got a whole mix of people. Yeah. We got every race, every religion, every fucking studliness. Mm-hmm. We got male studs, we got female studs, we got all the studs at the BDH.
Yeah.
We got Jennifer. Wait, is Jennifer Is that the song? Like, what's that song? There was a song for a minute. Was that what it was about? Wait, are you telling me that the Jennifer's the heavy Hennifer? Well, there's a song recently. It's like, I call it Tiffany. Oh, I call it Heffany. That's not like Heffany.
Oh yeah, that's what somebody's saying. Yeah.
Heffany. That's a funny song. Wait, is Heffany, is that a stud? This one. Is this a Heffany?
Yeah.
Are they talking about this is a stud?
Yep. Yeah, she's definitely she's a stud for sure. She qualified. Oh man.
I call her Heffany.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this is the techno version, guys. Yeah.
This is like the new mainstream version.
Yeah.
Wait, Menage a Trois? Is that for studs too? Man, I am learning so much about the world right now. I love the BDH for this exact reason.
It's crazy.
You know? I never even knew what I thought a stud was like a male horse, like a like a good-looking guy. This whole time, I never knew.
No. That's just same.
Well, I know those, but I never knew there was another meaning.
Oh yeah, there's another meeting.
Like
there's definitely another meeting. Yeah.
See, look at this. This is the most inclusive fucking community on YouTube. Not only do we get to talk about how much I have sex and how big my dick is and I've got elephantitis and all that stuff, but like we can also talk about studs. We can talk about DMoney, trying to get to the point where he can dunk. Like it's gonna be a thing, man. Somebody said they got a 40-point wick.
Yeah,
is that? Hold on. Are you talking about the trading, or are you talking about something else, sir?
Yeah, I don't know what they're talking about. So, yeah, you know the chat tries to bait you.
What do you like when you're not at the BDH? Are you like, do you cuss? Like, if you're hanging out, people, do you curse?
I try. That's something I try not to, but I mean, I'm not.
I mean, like, what do you like? Do you tell like? Are you like? Because to be honest, like when I'm around people, I just be talking about dicks and butthole. Like that's all I'd be talking about. Like when I'm with the boys, like we just always be talking about like, oh bro, fuck, some just real gay shit always.
Yeah.
Like we're on the boat, like it's just like a question of like, hey man, how much? And they're like, what? How much what? I'm like, how much would it take for you to suck a dude's dick? And you're
man.
You're like, like $1 million? And they're like, they look at you like, wait. I'm like, well, I just want to know how much would it take for you to, to do that? And they'd be like, it's always funny because people will be like, well, they start asking questions like, well, how, like, would anybody ever know?
Oh, like, man.
And then the best is, there's always somebody that just yells out, I'll do it for 10,000.
Oh, man.
Like, there's just always somebody that's got to come out of nowhere and be like, I do it for 10. You're like,
it's crazy.
Yeah, you gay.
It's crazy.
Oh,
yeah,
man.
yeah. If they'll do that, they might be.
For $1 million?
Yeah. Nah, I couldn't. Yeah, I couldn't.
No?
Nah.
100.
Nah.
100 million?
Nah.
You're so full of shit.
No, I couldn't do it.
You're so full of shit.
I couldn't do it.
D-Money, you are so full of shit.
Guys, that's not my.
D-Money, you are so full of shit.
You got to think about that for the rest of your life.
I'll do whatever for 100 million. I don't give a fuck. For 100 million, I'll go gay. I'll get a gay boyfriend for $100 million.
I can't do it, man.
For 100 million? Come on. I'll be the happiest straight gay guy in the world.
Yeah.
Guys, I'll be the happiest straight gay guy in the world for 100 million. Come on.
I can't. Yeah, I can't. You got to live with that, man. You got to live with that for the rest of your life.
Live with 100 million?
Yeah, but you got
I'm going to live with 100 million. You know how fucking rich I'll be? You know what I can do with $100 million?
Somebody said they'll do it in the chat. Come on, man. I'll do it for free. Ah, man, Mr. Stocks, we're going to give you a 10-second timeout there, sir. You got to get a timeout for saying you'll do it for free.
This is all bullshit. Everybody, Hey, anybody in the chat that said they wouldn't do it for 100 million, that's bullshit. Bullshit. Everybody doing it for 100 million.
Man. This is great.
You sell your soul? I mean, like, is God really going to look down and be like, Patrick, you can't come to heaven no more. You sucked a dick for 100 million. You got to go. I don't think he would, honestly. He'd be like, How about this, right? I get 100 million. I donate 20% to charity. Then I think I'm good. I'm good. Like, I'm right back in there.
Yeah,
like, I go from not going to heaven to going right to heaven.
Yeah, I can't do it.
I'm just saying.
I can't do it.
I'm just saying. Trump speaks at 7 o'clock. Well, that's way too far away from now.
Yeah, we thought you guys said 11 earlier.
It's 11 o'clock now, by the way.
Yeah, somebody said 11 earlier, not 7 p.m. Yeah, I took multiple trades, guys. Took a few longs that PW took, and then obviously I had a long that I called out, headed back towards the 14 EMA earlier, guys. So I'm up over 10,000 across the Apex accounts.
Is that greed or gluttony sin? I mean, I think it'd just be like for the betterment of humanity sin. You know, like I'm just looking out for all my other people out there. I get 100 million, and then I can help a lot more people.
Oh man,
true story. Not if you don't get saved. Don't worry. Me and Jesus is my homeboy. We good. We got a deal. He don't talk about me, and I don't talk about him. We got no problem. 4-3. Right now the Nasdaq. I mean, it's looking like she wants to go top of the range at least.
Yep. Could be in play.
Someone said I'm a bottom. There's no fucking way I'm a bottom. If I was gay, I would not be a bottom. No fucking way. Come on, let's be honest. Ain't no way BDH is the bottom. No way.
It's Dylan Hart. I'll only turn gay for DMoney. Yeah, we're going to give you a 10-second timeout there, sir, for violating DMoney there. So you got your 10-second timeout, Dylan. So we're almost there, chat. We need 400 likes, and we'll be at 3,000 likes. So do us a solid. Hit the like button if you haven't already. We're trying to get to 3,000 likes, guys. We had well over 6,000 people at peak today, and I think like, what, 6,300? So do us a solid. Hit the like button if you haven't already. If you're not subscribed, you know what to do.
Shout out to all of our studs in the chat. And you know who I'm talking about, not the studly men. I'm talking about them studly ladies in the chat. We might try to get multiple studs together. This could be a whole thing, chat. We're going to have a stud day at the BDH. Bunch of hot-ass studly lesbians. DMoney can't come, though. He's not allowed to come to that party. You're going to watch the stream like, why did I get invited? So, sorry, sir. Not invited to the stud party. The studs didn't want you. They only wanted me. I guess the real question is, would the studs be friends with me?
Oh, I'm sure they would.
Like how's that dynamic?
No, but because
hold on a second, chat.
Yeah.
Hold on, but I'm saying, like, is it like gonna be like a power play? Like, is a stud gonna try to overpower my alphaness?
Well, hey, so some studs are very aggressive. Hey, I'm just saying, like, they're some studs.
Hold on a second, wait. I gotta figure this out, because how do I know if a stud is too studly? We might need to have this email. Ginger!
Yeah.
Where's Ginger at? Send an email to g@onlyprofirms.com if you're a hot stud. We're looking for studs to come to the BDH. Right now, the Nasdaq's still fucking pumping, boys. I mean, I don't want to say, if we rewind the stream right now,
yeah,
right, there was a point in this stream. I won't toot my own horn. I don't like tooting my own horn. But there was very much a point during this stream today where I said, guys, we get above that 400 level, it's an easy fucking trade. Mm-hmm. Easy trade. Mm-hmm. And here we are. We're up 40 points right now, chat. Are you kidding me? Insane. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. I mean, the funny part is, don't forget, chat. Don't forget where we got long today. Don't forget.
Yeah.
The long, I got long 279. I did get short there. I'm retarded. But, yeah. And the funny thing is, when I was getting long down there, the amount of people in the chat that told me I was gonna get screwed, that it was gonna dump,
but that's how
that I had no idea what I'm doing. I mean, by the way, guys, that's almost 200 points now from the lows.
Yeah.
So I don't know about you, but I'm pretty much the #1 stud on YouTube. And yes, I consider myself a lesbian stud because I do love women more than men. But for 100 million, I might turn gay. So anybody out there, you got 100 million laying around, give me a call. We'll get it done. You know a lot of studs in Orlando? Yeah. All right, well, tell them to hit up g@onlyprofirms.com. We're looking for hot studs. I need 2 or 3 hot studs to come to BDH to have a roundtable discussion. D-stud. What? Truly the best. You earn the money. The others just hate. That is true. That is true. Is Victoria a stud? No, she's a hot-ass woman. corn dog, Ginger. You're gonna get banned.
NBA studs are fine. I think you mean WNBA. You're probably saying WNBA.
Like, he's like, no, the NBA studs.
Yeah.
You're like, we're talking about lesbians. He's like, oh,
Yeah,
never
you're
mind.
probably talking about WNBA.
How did D-Money's date go the other night? You had a date?
No.
No date?
Nah.
No.
Not no date.
Can I come, like, private eye the date?
Commentate? Oh yeah, I think that would be hilarious.
You go on a date? We're gonna set up D-Money with a date, and then I wanna like be like in the background, just kind of like commentating, have like a microphone.
I got the earpiece. In.
Earpiece. I'm like, yeah. Tell her that you like studs, and D just like, I like studs. She's like, what? He's like, I don't know. I just thought I'd say that. Oh man. PW wants to go on a date with D. I'm on a date every morning with D-Money. What are you talking about, Ginger? Ginger's just jealous that she's not here with us. Don't be jealous, Ginger. Ginger's jealous that she don't get to hang out with D-Money every morning now. Uh-huh. I can sense the jealousy.
Yeah, she put true. Oh, man.
Uh-oh. No. Don't come to the BDH. Is it gay if you use an AI to create a photo of D-Money in leather?
Oh, man.
It's not gay if you don't post it. If you post it, it's gay.
Keep it to yourself.
No, post it. Tag me on Instagram, on Twitter. Post it on Twitter. We want to see the photo of D-Money in leather. Come on. Somebody tag me on Twitter. I'm excited to see this. We're really trying to explore everything today. All possibilities, chat. It's the freaky hour right now. It's 11 o'clock, 11 to 12, freaky hour.
I'm telling you.
Live at the BDH. If you haven't already hit the like button, subscribe button. We're doing this daily. Not every day do we talk about studs, but today we talk about the studs. Tomorrow, I'm flying on a private jet to Costa Rica. So today is the day. Today is the day, baby. See, like, you could try to just get long here, but I think you got to be a little patient. Oil is pulling back. Oh, my God, bro. I hate my life sometimes, D. Look at this. Hey, by the way, NVIDIA, anybody that's wondering, I talked about the idea of NVIDIA filling the gap here today.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. NVIDIA filling the gap. Trading stocks on warbucksbtc.com right now. You can now trade Tesla, NVIDIA, Meta, and many more live. Well, not live. You get an eval and then go into an account, get paid, and let's go. Right now, NASDAQ's still pushing, man.
Yeah.
It ain't done.
Open range high 26,453.
It truly ain't done. I'm trying to long. See if we get this push through the opening range high. I just said I wasn't going to do it, and then I just said, watch me do it. I'm on crack. All this stud talk got me excited. I got to go to the bathroom, chat. Be right back.
Man.
Be right back, chat. Can we get the push to the 60s here? I just think we'll pop that 15-minute range high just to get some pop going here. ES is still kind of lagging, so trying to see if the NASDAQ will go through here now.
1 hour candles bullish.
There's the 450s. That's 3 points. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Hey, I didn't tell you how many points we're going to get, but it's points, okay?
Yep.
Look at that. Oh, no! No! Almost. We're going to get filled. Don't worry. Everything's fine. Push it, baby. Push it, baby. Push it. Push it, push it, push it. Oh, my Lord. There we go, chat.
Yep.
All right. Well, like I said, today, green. Trading my Lucid funded accounts. Up there to the 57s now. That's 10 points, by the way. 10 points. Don't tell me I didn't tell you so. God.
Still going.
It's crazy. I
64 higher and higher.
I don't know, man. I don't even know. Like, is there anybody else on the internet doing this? Like, I just don't get it. Right? Because look at this fucking setup today, boys.
Look at that recovery, man.
Again, like, just what did I talk about this morning, right? Like, it's buy the dip, sell the rip until it's not. And that has been the fucking story of the week.
And now all of a sudden,
and everybody this morning said, oh, we got to pull back. We got to pull back. The market's going to pull back today.
Yeah.
Today's the day we're going to pull back. Today's the day.
You got some pullback to go higher.
Yeah. I mean, it was an inverted head and shoulders. It played out exactly like we talked about. We also said, hey, if we get above the 400s, it's an easy fucking move.
Yep.
Oh my God. 480s now.
Yeah, that's that overnight. Here's your overnight level, guys, right? That we kind of talked about.
Come on, boys.
Got a little bit more to 487, but
chat, I mean, I truly, like, if this ain't the best fucking stream on the internet, I don't know what is. I don't know what is. I don't know what else. Like, there's just no way that anybody else is gonna tell me that there's someone else out there better than us. There's just no way. Literally. The bottom. Who bought the bottom? Did I hold the whole time? Now I suck. But in general, at least I wasn't trying to get short down there. That is the one caveat.
Yeah.
Right?
That's
because, you know, to be honest, I'm not gonna, you know, I don't want to say it, but like a couple years ago,
yeah,
I would be shorting the 300 break.
Man.
Right? Like I truly would have. I would have shorted the 300 break here, thinking, okay, guys, we broke 300. We're gonna go lower. I'm short. As soon as we break 300, I'm gonna short. And I think a lot of momentum traders, they get caught in that, right? That idea that like, if a key level breaks, that the momentum's gonna continue, going to continue that way.
Yeah. NQ loves a swipe and then push the opposite direction.
And that's, like I said, that's why it's so important to really look at the bigger picture. Understand what is the actual momentum. Yeah. The higher time frame momentum will move the lower time frame momentum. You know, like, yeah, maybe you're gonna have little pullbacks, but like overall, higher time frame is going to win.
Always.
I mean, if you look at it right now, it's like hilarious because really, I mean, it's like a big bull flag. Today ended up being a big bull flag, right? The overnight, the pullback, and then the push. 26,500.
Yeah, this 4-hour candle. Look at the 4-hour candle right now, guys. Cray with Lil Ray. Higher low put in, and then just expansion, crazy expansion up.
Yeah, I mean, it's like, I think we're always like trying to prove that there's a reason that we do things differently here, but I think if you like the people who tune in daily, I mean, if you tuned in Monday through Friday or Monday through Thursday this week, you're stoked. I don't think I had one little stop, but I mean, overall, we had a day went 5 for 5. I mean, today it's like fucking what? Like 4 for 1, you know, fucking
4 out of 5.
4 out of 5. So, I mean, and like I said, my win rate is 70 to 80% win rate. So like, yeah, there's gonna be losing trades. It's gonna happen.
One or two,
But the secret is to know when to size in, you know. And you know, a lot of things at times that I'll do, and this might be a bad habit, but a lot of times, like if I'm skeptical about a move, well then I won't, you know, I won't go in with larger size.
Yeah.
And then it's like if that move gets invalidated, well then that kind of gives me the idea like, hey, you know, the bear flag was a fake out.
Yeah. And that's
okay. Like if we start to push, now I'm gonna like kind of double down.
And you start seeing previous highs get broken. Yeah, it's more convincing to go long. Yep.
And then, like I said, like we tried a little short there on the bear flag. Right, we tried a little short. We were below the EMA. We got stopped out, and then it's like it kind of confirms the idea, like, hey, the shorts did not work. So what do we do now? We got to play the longs. So I'm gonna lock out these accounts. We're up over $5,000 in these Lucid accounts today. If you guys have not checked out Lucid right now, Lucid coming through with the bang 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 shrimp trade of 8 prop, the biggest, the largest. I can't wait until tomorrow. We're gonna stream tomorrow morning, Fresh Cast Friday, and then I'm getting on a private fucking plane and I'm flying to Costa Rica, baby. People might ask, Patrick, are you really gonna spend $80,000 on a private jet? And I said, yes, sir. Have you ever had sex on a private jet? Shit, dog, let's go. You gonna get it in? Gonna get it in? DMoney needs a stud for the private jet.
Oh man, come on, man. Hey, yeah, I'm good.
Oh man,
I'm good, chat. So 300 likes, guys. Come on, man. 300 likes. We'll be at 3,000 likes, guys. We got a giveaway coming today. Looks like we got some.
What we got?
Then he's saying we have some Tradeify Select.
Chat.
So we got to get to 3. We're ready, guys, to drop the names. Make no mistake about it. We need 300 likes on the stream, guys. We'll be at 3,000.
If you're just now tuning in for the first time this week, well, on Monday, I had 5 of the Lucid accounts that we passed live on YouTube. We made $540 after passing the evals on Monday in the funded account. And as you can see here, bang, 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 we are absolutely printing. So for the week right now, 4 days of trading, 4,000. Oh my God, NASDAQ's still going higher. So the results they're there. You know, I mean, I don't really know what else to say. Like, you can hate me, you can love me, but the results are clearly there. It's real. And the best part is, look, you know, my win duration, all that, it's pretty funny to look at. 3 minutes on average. I will say my duration of holding a trade is getting
longer.
You know, truly it is. Compared to the, you know, my previous stats. So, shout out to Lucid. Really, this is the only company that you can buy an eval, pass it in 1 day, and then go directly into a funded account the very same day. Like, you can literally buy an eval at 11 o'clock. You can pass the eval by 11:15, possibly, maybe, and then you can get funded the very second day. So,
probably 11:20.
Why am I not taking any more trades for the rest of the day? Well, because consistency, right? Right now, my consistency for these accounts, right? My consistency, we're at 41%. So I got about $132 left. I'll do that tomorrow easy, right? That's an easy fucking target. Tomorrow I make $500 total and be done. Get a payout real easy. But again, guys, like I think it's weird because I don't know, I don't want to like say it, but like I'm in a different mental world now. Like, the trading is great. Like, I try to trade funded accounts and stuff like that for you guys to see kind of the trades and keep it real with you guys. But I mean, at the end of the day, you know, if I don't get a payout, I'm not gonna, my life don't change.
Yeah.
Right. So I try to keep it real with you guys and like understand that. Like, I try to trade. Like today, I was trading 5 contracts. That's 1 contract per account. You know, making $5,000. It's great. Like, I'm happy, but like, you know, I ain't paying for a private jet to Costa Rica because of trading funded accounts. So. I can't the Nvidia move, man. It really just fucked around. If I would have, like, that dump candle kind of just, I got out for a $500 profit, but if I would have just been a little bit more patient. Nvidia going to the moon there. Trading on Warbucks. If you guys are interested, you can now trade stocks with Warbucks, Tesla, Amazon, you know, all those stocks out there to trade. $36. You can trade futures, you know, with take Profit Trader, with Lucid. If you've been thinking about maybe you want to trade some stocks, you can trade stocks as well. I think there's definitely some good correlation. You know, if the NASDAQ's booming,
yeah, well, a lot of times you're gonna see,
there's probably some good setups on Nvidia, Tesla, all those other stocks. So it
Tesla
goes both
was going
ways,
crazy
right?
yesterday.
If you're overall very bearish on the NASDAQ and you think there's gonna be a big red day, well, I guarantee that there's gonna be some stocks to trade as well, because it's obviously an index.
Yeah.
So a lot of opportunity in the market right now, a lot of volatility. This is a trader's paradise, I would say. You know, this week right now, like, we don't always get weeks like this.
Yeah.
Right? This is very rare.
It's been, you had a few months
Don't get too excited, chat.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Right? Like, this week has been a momentum trader's dream. A lot of good setups, a lot of, like, in, out, right to your target. I mean, yesterday I was trading, you know, if you look at the, like, afternoon, I mean, bro, we went live at 2:30. We were at 2:37. By the end of the day, we were at 368. We never dipped below the EMA. So I just bought every bull flag. Every bull flag, stop at the bottom of the bull flag. You know, like, it was literally just like, okay, long, 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 long. You know, like, not really much to stress about. And the best part is, like, on these setups, you just put your stop below the, you know, the last high or low. Last high or low. Your last high or low is your stop. So people always ask me, like, why do I wait? You know, why do I wait for a candle to push through the previous candle to get long. Well, it's just kind of giving me confirmation that we're going to go higher, because if we're going to go higher, what do the candles have to do? Right? The candle has to break the previous candle high. So it's like, until that happens, why get long? You know, on those setups. That's what I love about the bull flag, is it's just like, you can see what happens too is a lot of times, you know, you're even safer on the kind of wait for the previous pullback or the next pullback, right, on these breakouts. Because a lot of times what happens is, especially when we're grinding, what do you get? You get like the breakout turns into the next area of support, like on the next pullback, right? And it's like, it's over. It kind of does the same thing. I've seen this a lot with the NASDAQ, where previous breakouts get retested, like those levels, right? You're getting these like levels retested,
and then you get this,
and then you get the push again. So the more retest, the better. And also, like, you really want these flat, like, you want the like I guess, like, to kind of anticipate like the pressure building, right? Because if you look, like, here's a great example. We push through the VWAP right here, 389 through the 400s. The next 5-minute candle, you know, has a little bit of trouble, but we have still a wick on the bottom, right? That's like telling you somebody's buying there.
Buying it up,
And then again, it's like the very next candle. What do we have? Another wick on the bottom, almost identical price action. You get your, you know, your build up. It's building. Okay, 5-minute chart. We look at the 1-minute chart, and then you can see how tight it got. Like, this is momentum, right? This is not chop. This is not like just guessing and gambling. It's going, hey, look, ding, 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 bam, expansion. And the best part is, like, the absolute best part is, an hour ago, 2 hours ago, we said, hey guys, all you have to do now if you want to get long is wait for a break above the VWAP, above that, you know, 15-minute range, middle of the 15-minute range. And look at that. I mean, that's 100 points.
Keep riding.
That's 100 points with very little drawdown, right? You could have basically bought here for the bull flag breakout and just said, hey, my stop is below the previous low, 367. I'm going to risk 30 points for 100. And the great thing is, like, for new traders, I think that's really, if you're trading micros, right? You trade micros, you kind of put like realistic targets, and then you kind of leave, you know, some bigger targets. You're like, hey, I'm going to go in with 3 micros. All right, all my first target's the overnight high, or wherever it was, or maybe that high from open, and then my next target is that high, right? And if you're a new trader and you're doing that, where you're getting in with 3 micros, you're managing the trade, you're moving your stop loss, you're putting your targets there, you're seeing that happen enough times. That is the most that is how you learn how to day trade. You don't learn how to day trade by just guessing and just fucking trying to get in on every little move. You learn by, like, you know, getting a good setup and being like, oh, yeah, that looks good. You know, look, it's really tight. Oh, I like it. We're above the VWAP. We're above the middle of the 15-minute range. Everything is looking good. I'm going to aim for that target. Like, it's like the more that you can talk, you know, explain your trade to yourself, the better.
Yeah, where it makes sense and you got things that align in your favor.
Yeah, like,
so,
you want to be able to talk yourself.
Yeah.
Like we were saying earlier, like, guys, you know, if we get above there, it makes sense that we could. God, let me see if I can find that drawing. This is insane right now. Let me just go back. We had that because we had the inverse head and shoulders, and we're like, dude, this neckline breaks. We're going to the fucking moon, boys. Trying to go back. I don't know if I can go that far back. No, I don't think so. But yeah, basically that's that neckline. Your inverse head and shoulders. Wee. Looks like Jerome's grandpa's nuts hanging down there. You know that your balls always keep growing. I've just learned that. I'm excited because my little peanuts are gonna grow.
Where did you learn? Where were you researching?
Yeah, I just said it on Twitter. You don't get those tweets? I follow I follow interestingmantips.com.
Oh,
Interestingmantips.com. BigDickHouse.com. It's a true story. But yeah, again, guys, like, I don't want to, like, downplay it. I don't want to say that it's easy, but I think a lot of people overcomplicate it. right? When you first started trading, I bet you overcomplicated,
Oh,
right?
100%.
You probably tried every possible indicator, every possible style of trading.
I had so many indicators you can't even see the chart. I mean, flooded. Like literally, I had to start taking them off. I'm like, oh,
you're
this
like,
is-
fuck, I can't see the candlesticks.
Yeah, like I can't even see it. So, yep, it's crazy how when you simplify it, you kind of. But it's like I had EMAs on my chart. These 3 EMAs, took them off and started adding everything else, and then ended up going back to the EMAs and keeping it simple.
No,
Like, that's the thing.
I've said it a million times.
Yeah, it's crazy.
My chart that I trade now looks exactly like the chart that I started trading with.
Yep.
But if you watch my videos from the beginning to the end, there's a point where it went like, I just went from, oh my God, now I have bookmap, now I have this, now I have this, now I have order flow, now I have this, now I'm doing options, now I'm doing this.
Yep.
And like, I had a million different ideas and things, but like, I truly didn't understand how the market moved.
Yeah.
Like, I really didn't. And I think a lot of people, they don't understand how the market moves. It's simple, right? Like, it's moving in a wave. It's just constantly making waves. If you look at the higher time frame today, guess what? What do we have? You got a big old wave, right? Like, that's all it is. Market's got to kind of build out these waves. It's been like that all week. I mean, and you can, whatever strategy you trade, you can argue, oh, Patrick, you don't know what you're talking about. The market doesn't move in waves.
Yeah,
it moves off
it
order
does.
flow. It's like, well, I don't know.
Yeah, well.
You can overcomplicate it all you want, because I think people overcomplicate it too, because it's hard to sell somebody a $5,000 course when your whole thing is like, guys, the market moves in waves.
Oh yeah.
Right? Like,
it has to be something complex.
yeah, no one's
more
going to pay
complex.
$5,000 to watch a course where
Yeah.
you're talking about waves. They're
Yeah.
going to be like, this guy's fucking going crazy.
Yeah, they want it has to be more complex.
Yeah, but if I tell
There's
you,
more to
hey
it.
guys, don't worry, I'm a verified trader. I made $100 billion trillion. I can't show you, but I did. And I have a secret strategy. You know, I have a secret strategy. So, yeah, it's bullshit. I need to start working on that. I need to start working on making more secret strategies. Hey guys, guess what? 26,500!
Cray.
Fucking A, boys. What a time to be alive. You gotta love it. Look, we're back in that pattern, right? The squeeze pattern. It is literally just the same exact pattern yesterday. These 5-minute candles,
Yep.
looks like it's gonna pull back. Next candle,
Got it. Got him.
got him. You gotta fucking love it, man. I fucking love it. Like, this is the best job in the fucking world, because you know why I love trading over anything else when it comes to like making money is there's no one who can tell me like that their way is better than my way. Because at the end of the day, if you're green, that's all that matters,
That's all that
right?
matters.
Like,
Oh,
you know,
absolutely.
if you work, like, let's say you work at Walmart, you
Yeah.
work at a fucking restaurant, like, you can be the smartest employee ever, but your boss is still gonna be like, nah, that's not how I want it done. You know, I don't like that you're talking about waves, Patrick. We need to use more volume profile.
Yeah.
You know, but it's like trading it's a thing where it's just like it's you versus you. It's not you versus the markets, right? People love to like
Initially you think it's you versus the markets,
yeah,
but
you
it's
think
not.
the market's trying to fuck you.
Yeah, the market's
right?
against
like,
me. It's
everyone
rigged.
wants to be like, man, the market really fucked me today.
Yeah, it's rigged.
D-Money's like, man, I got fucked like a stud by the market.
Oh man. Oh man.
But you know what? That's what it is, right? Everybody's convinced that the market is the reason they're losing. Ah, man, this market fucking sucks.
Yeah.
I fucking hate the market. It sucks, D. I always get fucked by the market. But it's like, no. You're just like, you're letting the market trap you, right? You're not like, if you believe that the market is constantly trapping somebody, well, then you're like, hey, I don't care if I'm wrong,
Yeah, that's
if I'm
an edge.
short. Like,
Yep.
I just want to see somebody else get fucked, because then I'm like, haha, I've seen this story before.
Yep.
I know exactly how this movie's gonna end.
Yeah.
I know, like, looking at the chart this morning, we're like, I'm sitting there, I'm like, guys, I don't know, man. I think this 300 area, you know, and it's funny because not everybody, but a majority of the chat was very bearish. And they were like, I wish I could rewind the chat, but people
Yeah, they wanted a continuation down.
There were so many people that were like, you're gonna get fucked, you're gonna blow your account, it's gonna go. And I'm like, maybe not. Maybe not. So somebody said Julie said 1600 plus move in 3 days with no proper pullback. But that's the thing.
Yeah, but
that's what people don't get, right? It's like when the
doesn't
market
have-
is super fucking bullish, it's not gonna
It's
pull
not
back.
gonna give you those crazy pullbacks, guys. That's a trendy market. When the market is in a nice trending market, you're not gonna get these crazy pullbacks, chat.
You're just not gonna get them.
Yeah, you're just not gonna get it. That's just how it works. So
let's go. What the fuck is that?
Yeah,
name?
Libu.
Lubu, little boo boo, little boo boo,
little boo boo,
little boo boo, little boo boo Dykov. Libu Dykov. I'm really sorry for. I'm not trying to make fun of your name. I wish I could buy you a beer, whatever European country you're from, you crazy motherfucker. Hopefully Russia. I want to go to Russia. Party in Russia. I heard Russia gets wild and crazy. Me and DMoney are gonna go to Russia and do it in real life live stream. It could be a thing. I think I want to do some more in real life live streams. Be pretty funny. Like take DMoney to China and then film the whole thing, but then just have me the whole time, like signing him up for stuff, being like, yeah, no, he wants happy ending massage, happy ending, man. Happy ending. Oh, it'd be hilarious. It'd be funny as fuck. I think, I want to get you out to the desert sooner than later.
Yeah.
Put you in the truck. Put you in the helicopter.
Yeah, man. I got to take some motion sickness. Hey.
We're going to put D-Money in the helicopter. He's going to be like, I'll be like, hold on, D-Money. Oh, man. D-Money in the helicopter flying around in the desert. He'll jump out with a parachute. We got Zord, put a parachute on him.
Oh, no, I'm not jumping out. Yeah, that's a little bit too far for me, guys. I'm black, guys. I won't be jumping out of a plane or a helicopter.
No, it's a helicopter. It's different.
Copter, plane, anything of that sort, guys. You guys will not see D-Money unless we edit it. Unless it's edited,
sure?
chat. Oh yeah, I'm sure.
All right. What would you do though?
I gotta stick to my blackness,
Will you ride in the truck?
I would. I gotta take some motion sickness because in the back, I'm sure.
When I'm driving? No, like you'll be in the passenger seat, like in the race truck. I'll put you in the race truck. We'll go jump it.
Yeah. But
hey, all right?
I might have to. Yeah, it's a lot of motion there. A lot of motion in the ocean.
Oh man, chat. We gotta stream this whole thing live. I literally have a Starlink set up.
Yeah.
That I'm gonna build into a backpack, and then have a little camera. Just you can go live anywhere in the world. I think it'd be funny as fuck. PW, are you on Kinfo? No, I DayTrade live. I don't need to verify shit. That's what I love about people. Like, you gotta verify. I'm like, verify what?
Yeah.
That I trade live?
Come on,
and tell you exactly when I'm gonna buy and when I'm gonna sell? I mean, my fans can literally watch the live stream and figure out really quickly if I'm full of shit or not.
Come on, man.
I mean, that's 4 days of absolutely killing it in this market. 4 days in a row. It's not luck. I didn't get fucking lucky. That's for sure. Where are we headed? I mean, I'm heading to the ping pong table, to be honest.
Yeah, we just hit.
I'm heading to the
guys.
That's 100 points. This played out exactly like I told you it would play out. Like, absolutely like I said, hey, if we get back above the VWAP, we get back above this 400 level, it's fucking to the moon. I can rewind the stream right now and find it, but I'm not going to because I know I said it. 100% I said it. Let's get this push back up. Let's build out a bull flag, and then let's go to this 500. It was fucking...
Yeah.
They don't get no better. They don't get no better.
200 more likes, guys. We got the giveaway coming. We're not lying to you.
We got more giveaways?
Yeah, we got giveaway.
Woo!
We got some Tradeify accounts, guys, to give away. So we need 200 likes, guys. We'll do a giveaway. Make no mistake about it. We still got 4,300 people tuning into the show. So it looks like we got some Tradeify select accounts today. You got to love it. 200 likes, we'll do a giveaway.
Someone said, how did I know it was going to be an inverse head and shoulders? I mean, we didn't. But this is how an inverse head and shoulders plays out, right? It pushes back up. I talked about, like, if this 5-minute candle is going to put in that higher low there, well, then that's your neckline, right? It ain't like, it's not pretty. If you go on Wikipedia, that's not how it's going to look.
Yeah.
But again, like, what's the argument here, right? The argument is, like, we put in a higher low. If we're bearish and we're going to go downtown, we should not be putting in a higher low after making a new low, right? New low and then a higher low turns into, that's the low of day kind of setup.
Yeah.
If you look at the hourly chart as well, I mean, we never retested that low of day. So make the giveaway random. It is random.
It is random.
It's always random.
Come on, man.
Crude's pumping back up. Everybody wants to know, what would I do if I didn't win? I guess we'll never know. What's next? I don't know, guys. Like, if you didn't make money this morning,
it's
guys. If you're not very, very green right? If you're not very, very green right now off the 400 level to the 500, then like, just go ahead and quit for the day, honestly. You know what I mean? Like, just take a break. Come back tomorrow. You know? Take a break, come back tomorrow kind of thing. Yeah. That was too easy. That was too easy, chat. All right, we got 40 more likes till we hit 3,000. DMoney said he ain't gonna give away nothing.
Yeah, we gotta hit 3,000 likes. We gotta hit 3,000 likes, guys. It's only right. We had 6,300 people tune into the show at peak today, so the way I see it, 3,000 likes for a free stream is more than fair.
DMoney's YouTube channel right here, baby. Live at the BDH forever.
Yeah, this is
I signed him for life.
Yeah,
you can never leave me now.
This is the only guys.
Like, if me and Victoria get married, there's like, you know, there's less rules about us staying together than me and DMoney. I told him. I said, listen, you can never leave me. You can never leave me. Ever. No matter what. He's like, that's a little weird. I'm like, don't worry about it. You can never leave me, no matter what happens.
The voice changed just like that too, guys. It was a voice change.
We went to Olive Garden. We sat there. And I said, DMoney, there's no divorcing me. Once you become BDH, you always are BDH.
Oh, man.
Gotta get him a BDH tattoo. That's part of the deal. I got him a G-Wagon. Now you gotta get a BDH tattoo. But yeah, he can never leave.
All right, we hit 3,000 likes.
We need a third. We definitely need a third. We're looking for a stud. Ginger, you know any studs? I know you know a stud.
Oh, man.
You don't know no studs? What?
Oh,
you don't know no fucking lesbian black women? Ginger, you gotta get out. I know lesbian black women. Ginger don't even know lesbian black. We need more inclusivity here. We need more studs. My god sister is a stud. All right. Send her my way. NASDAQ still making new highs. I get it. It's easy to want to just keep riding it. I mean, I wouldn't get short until there's something very, very, you know, short looking. Look at that.
Look at the push right back
Still
up.
pushing. We got, looks like some giveaway winners across the top there.
Yeah, there you go.
Shout out to the giveaway winners. Someone's like, fuck it, I'll become a stud. I'll tuck my shit.
Oh, man.
Sir, we only want real life studs, real studs. No fake studs allowed at the BDH. Denny said, congratulations to all the winners. The fucked up part is all those names going across top are just Denny's fake names. Yeah, I caught Denny doing that one time. He gave all the giveaways himself.
You gotta get Denny jumped.
Yeah, look at that name. Kamala Kishore. Come on. That ain't no real name. Denny, you got to get better names for the fake names up there. NASDAQ stuff. Yeah. I get it, guys. Like, I'm watching it. Oil just dumped. So something's tweeting. Somebody's doing something. Can a winner say they won? Are there any winners in the chat? Is there any winners in the chat? Peace talk extended is what they say.
Is that what the news?
My older sister is a stud, and she will love DMoney. Ooh.
Hey.
I make... What?
Is she... So...
Like, what if she's like a real hot stud?
Yeah.
You could turn her back to...
I mean, there are some...
Yeah, you can turn her back. Give her a little bit of DMoney.
But the problem is...
you give her a little Ray.
The problem is you won't know that, though. They have to, like... get out of the stud like appearance guys and convert back, right? So
all right, I think we got a thing going on, chat. I'm looking for a stud who's half and half.
Oh, man.
Like, are you possibly a stud, or do you want to be married to DMoney? DMoney gonna save you. You gotta put you back on the little Ray goal.
Oh, man.
Oh man. All right, I'm gonna set the ping pong table up. You can DMoney break it down. What you got? Anything else on the? I'll leave up a 5-minute chart.
Yeah, so 5-minute chart, guys. If you didn't catch the longs, obviously we're above that 26,453 area. We just got back above 507. So you love to see it, guys. It sounds like there was some news that came out. Somebody's just kind of posted that, right? That there is some extension on the peace talks. Let me see if I can find that myself, because a lot of times we'll get that, but you don't really see that kind of come to light. So let me see if I can find that, right? Where did you guys see that news? Because obviously if that's what the case was, and yeah, you could be looking for more upside here, maybe towards 600, to be honest, right? Trump, Israel and Lebanon 10-day ceasefire on financial juice. Gotcha. Yeah, so I mean, if the momentum continues here, guys, the higher time frame is extremely bullish. PW talked about that. So you look at the 1 hour chart and you look at how there is no bottom wick on the current 1 hour candle, but crazy expansion up. So it's hard to be bearish. You're not bearish, right? You're just basically probably looking for an entry to get long, right? Maybe price dips down, puts in a higher low, 480 level, somewhere around there, right? And then pushes back to the upside, targeting 550 maybe. So, but clearly bulls are in control, guys. Now, remember yesterday, we actually had pretty good trades for longs off the ORB high, right? Price pushed above the ORB high, came back to the ORB, did a retracement, and then continued up. And that's what's currently happening right now. So just be mindful of that, chat. What platform does Warbucks use? GUI Pro. So GUI Pro is basically, it's a version of TradingView, chat. Pretty easy to use. It's just like TradingView. It's a version of TradingView, actually, to be honest. So
Turn the lights on for the ping pong show. Ping pong. Oh my God, it's bright. Are you bright when you're doing the camera right now?
yeah, it is a little bright.
Hold on. Don't get freaked out. The ping pong show's coming up. Ping pong.
So I do have, chat, I want to say this, right? I got $20 on the line. So this is cold hard cash. I took out the ATM yesterday. I told PW before I left yesterday, I said, look, man, we you know, I got to put some money on the line, guys. I did a little stretching last night, and it's going to be best out of 3. So
I didn't wear shoes today. That's how confident I am.
PW got the chancletas on, guys, and he's still going to try to beat me. So we'll see what happens. So I think I'm due for a win here, chat. All right, I think I'm due for a W. It's only right. Yeah, my accounts, I'm up 560 per Apex account, guys, times 20 accounts. So we'll take it. That's $11,200. We'll take it. You won 2 games yesterday? No, I didn't win any games yesterday. What do you mean? What do you mean? I didn't win any games. I wish. Oh, the second game? Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna let PW. Yeah, I'm kind of, yeah, that second game was a little, you know what I mean? I think I was at like, yeah, I think now that second game was a little questionable, chat. Not gonna lie, so. Oh man, use more risk. Yeah, but the thing is, when you use more risk, you gotta have some finesse with it, right? Or it won't hit the table, right? And it's gonna go out of bounds. So I gotta get better. I feel like I'm getting a little better though, chat. In all honesty, my score, my points are going up. So that's all I can really ask for.
Hey, excuses are like assholes, man. Everyone's got one. Everyone's got an asshole, man. Excuses are like assholes.
So if you're looking at the 5-minute chart here, guys, look at the bottom wick, kind of expanding right back up from 475. Looking like they're attempting to kind of push us back towards that high sitting up there at 543, right? So if you take out, look at the push here in that bottom wick. You got about 5 seconds left, current 5-minute candle. Sorry guys, you got about a minute left, current 5-minute candle, right? So if it can reclaim that 510 area and close bullish, then you will be targeting 26,542. Denny's saying in the chat, guys, that all the emails have been sent to the winners. So congrats to the winners of the giveaway. We appreciate the support, guys. We hit over 3,000 likes. We had over 6,300 people tune into the show today at peak. Cray with Lil Ray. You're swinging up with the paddle when the ball is coming straight at you. Use your backhand instead.
Hey, no tips.
Hey, all right, Alex.
No tips.
We appreciate the tip there, sir.
No, no, no. Can't give D-Money tips. The fuck?
Oh, man. How do you enter the giveaway? Yeah, it's the giveaway's done now. We just already released the winners, guys. But typically they're always going to be onlypropfirms.com/giveaways, right? So that's the link for the giveaways. So onlypropfirms.com/giveaways is where you go in and basically register for it, and then we randomly pick names out for winners. Make sure you serve with a spin on the ball. Yeah, I'm not that advanced, Chad. I'm not gonna lie. So this is I'm getting. Listen, if I can, I need to get better with my spin. I need to get better with kind of like giving PW some misdirection, keeping them off balance with what I'm gonna do. I think that will work, but to be honest, though, that takes some work. So gotta get better. Find somebody to give you lessons. Perry Dollar, who am I gonna find to give me some ping pong lessons, sir? Who do you recommend, Perry?
You know what he studs?
PW Santa stud. Oh man. Are you targeting any new positions? So what I'll tell you right now is that if you get back above 511, more than likely bulls are taking us back to 26,542. You need to reclaim that 5-minute candles high, previous candles high, 5-minute chart, right? So if you're able to get back above 511, that will be pretty convincing that we're headed back towards that high that was put in the 542 area to the upside. Keep in mind, I mean, you're going into the close of a 1-hour candle. Obviously, the candle is super bullish, right? A lot of times you do get some kind of pullback going into the close of that 1-hour candle. It just depends on what price is kind of shaping up to be. But if the bullish momentum is going to continue here, guys, you would expect like some kind of higher low being put in, and then we expand towards that 540 area, right? That would be I guess the thought process. We had a higher low put in right off the ORB high of 26,453. So you definitely don't want to see that level get broken if you're a bull. You would expect that level to hold and a higher low be put in, and then we expand higher.
I think you're off. Sorry. I don't think you're on right now. I think I cut you off. Get over here, boy. I'm gonna whoop that ass. No, that's mine. Get out of here. What are you touching it for?
Good luck.
You're touching my thing. $20?
Hey, okay.
You know I'm good for it. You know I'm good for it, chat. That's out of 3. A little warm up. Little warm up. Woo! Light balls or orange balls? Don't matter. You're gonna lose anyway. All right, one more warm up and it's happening. One more warm up. Sudden death. Done, dog. All right, here we go. What? What are you watching, D-Money? What is D-Money watching? What the hell? Got some studs on the show. All right, Chad, here we go. 0-0. That's over. Give me the 20 bucks. That's a 0-1, chat. 0-1. That's a 0-2. It's over. I'm gonna skunk his ass. He put money on the line. I don't fuck around. I don't fuck around when it comes to money. Just like my Cardi B, I don't fuck around. We like this. We support the studs at the BDH. I can't help it. I'm just too good at this shit. Pump over here. Daddy. All right. Dude, what is that? What is that on the screen right now? Let's go, Tiger! Tiger! Oh, damn, I gotta turn that off. DMoney, man, what are you doing over there, dude? Who's this guy? Man, DMoney, he's bad. He's a bad boy. 6-0, chat. This is a bloodbath. Yeah, I told you, you put money on the line, bro. You can't put money on the line with the fucking rock hard fucking killer. Oh, you got lucky. I got excited. All right, 6-1. Oh, 6-3. I'm falling apart, chat. I'm falling apart. Oh! Oh my goodness. You gotta be kidding me. That was so beautiful. That was so beautiful. That was so beautiful. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh! Dunzo! Someone said this is why we're unprofitable. What the fuck? What? I'm winning. I'm making 20 bucks right now. I don't even know what the score is. It's over though. Oh, I wanted that little. I think it's 7-4. Yeah. Oh my goodness. it's like taking candy from a baby. It's like taking candy from a baby. 9-4. Be 10-4. Man, I feel bad taking your money, man. What do you mean? This is D's point. What? Win? What's at his point? What are you talking about? The chat. We got referees in the chat. Yeah, referees in the chat. Yeah, that's game. That ain't there. There's no other way to frame that, chat. $20 bill. Oh, round 2? Double or nothing. Double or nothing. No, double or nothing. Come on now. Double or nothing. Nah, double or nothing. Double or nothing, chat. Chat, tell them double or nothing. Come on. Yeah, nope. If you accept this serve, you agree. Double or nothing, best out of 3. All right. Look at that. Is that a stud? All right, ready? I want that video to play. I want to play that. I want that video. Trying to get that one with that booty. All right. I take a candy from my baby. Come on. I take a candy from my baby. Hey, baby. Candy, baby. I gotta skip the TV real quick. Don't worry, I can do multitask.
Oh, what's the chances of that? Come on.
What are the chances? What are the chances? Get out of here. Get out of here, sir. I'm like the brick wall of China. Brick wall of China. Sugar baby. What do you think about sugar baby? We're missing the pump, they said. What's it at? Ah, 520, no pump. Guys, by the way, I have sandals on right now. I got sandals on, chat. What's that? What's the score, chat? What's the score? Where we at? Man, this is not going well. 7-1. Man. Oh, how's it going? Alright, I'm gonna bring the heat now. I'm going hard to paint. A little bit riskier, but I'm gonna play hard. I think it's over. One more. D-Money, what are you watching, bro? D-Money, put this on, guys. Oh my goodness. Done so. I don't know. I think it's over. Here. Let me serve on you. Put this on. Warm up. Come on, sir, practice. Practice, sir, we're practicing. Alright. Winner, winner, chicken dinner! Is this real? I don't know. It might be fake. I don't know, chat. You hear that? I don't know. No, it might be. I gotta get the thing going. All right, chat, there it is. I don't know if I'm gonna come back for Power Hour or not. We'll see. Depends on how I feel. But right now, NASDAQ, it is pushing higher. The longs keep printing. We'll see you when we see you. Either way, tomorrow morning, Fresh Cash Friday. We're doing it old school vibes, baby. Just PW, just me. We're gonna get wild. We're gonna get crazy. And then D-Money's gonna come in the afternoon and take it all the way home into the weekend for Friday. So there it is. Fresh Cash Friday. We going all day tomorrow. If you guys haven't already hit the like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. I'll see you when I see you. D-Money, stop watching them videos back there, sir. What do you got on the TV over there, sir?
Guys, I did not put that on. I don't know what that is, chat, but hey.
All right. Peace to the Middle East. We love you. See you.